Ocheze nya bụ okwu ngwongwo onye ga-abụzi eze eberebe ife nkene na ọkarịa malụ ngwongwo allow me make I sit on my throne. Ocheze nya bụ okwu ngwongwo ụmụeze na-abụ na onye ga-abụzi eze eberebe Ocheze nwa na-asara ọkụ ngwongwo allow me I want possess my possession. Onye nke na-asị na mbụnya ngwongwo onye nke ọzọ asị na mbụnya eberebe.
Efes, listen to your mother. Please bring your hand down. Do not shoot, please.
Mother, please. Have everything, please.
Efes.
Please have everything,
Efes, please.
Please.
And you said the man's face was strange.
I have never seen that face all my life.
Well, okay, son, it's just a night dream. I don't want you to bother you, so.
A strange one, Dad. A strange one. And it looks real.
Yes, I know, son. Some dreams would make you feel that way, absolutely. But it's still a dream. Don't allow it to bother you, okay? It's just a dream, all right? Just let it go.
Greetings, Ono.
My own prince. Yeah, well done.
Excuse me, Father.
Okay. Yeah. Oh no. Woo.
Oh, yeah.
I hope I can be able to entertain this giant of a visitor.
Whatever you let me, I will lie down there. How's the family?
Fine. Yes.
So have you told the king about it?
Yes, I told Father.
Okay, so what did he say?
He said I shouldn't bother, that it's a mere dream.
Same thing I will tell you. It's just a dream. Dreams are not real. Okay?
There is something about that dream. It was so real. I shot someone for no reason. I'm worried.
Okay, see, I understand you're traumatized. But I promise you it's nothing. It's just a dream. Dreams are not real. Don't let it bother you, my love. Okay? Come here, my love. It's nothing. Okay?
Your father?
Doctor said his heart failed.
What? Heart failure? How? Oh my God.
The doctor said he'll be fine, but he needs enough rest.
God, why?
Mom, why? Mom, please, you don't have to cry. Father will be fine, he'll be alright.
This is not the time to cry, Mother. Let's all pray and hope he gets better soon. I just came to pick something. I'm rushing back to the hospital immediately.
king. Sorry, sir.
I called you here because there is something very important that I want to share with you.
Okay, sir.
No,
Your Majesty.
you have been more than a cabinet minister,
Okay.
more than a friend.
I know.
You are like a brother to me. Oh no,
Your Majesty.
there is a secret I want to share only with you.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry, Dad. You'll be fine, okay?
I know.
Fine.
Bella,
Yes, Dad.
I want you to call me Elvis.
Okay.
I think I need to see my doctor. I want to see my doctor. Call Elvis.
Okay, Dad.
Yes.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Yes. Elvis! Elvis! Dad. Dad, Elvis is on his way. Dad. Daddy! Daddy! Dad. Mom! Mom! Elvis! Daddy! Elvis! Elvis!
I called this meeting for us to discuss the matter at hand. You all know the problem that befell us. As the tradition demands, the remains of our king cannot be taken to the mortuary.
Mba.
He has to remain inside the sacred hut for 20 days and 20 nights, where he will dine with the ancestors before the body will be taken to the Mother Earth.
Oh no, you have spoken very, very well. All you said now is on point. It has been our tradition even before our existence.
Yes.
You see, today is the second day. He has to be with them in the sacred hut.
Yes.
So out of the 20 days, 2 days gone, we have 18 more days to go. So the earlier, the better.
Exactly my point. Okay. So we have to go to the palace now. Give them the list for them to prepare for the burial.
Oh no, that's the right thing to do. We need to visit the royal home as soon as possible. Okay, Adorozi. We don't have more time left.
Yes.
You go and you kwesịrị ka elie ya. Ozu ike nọ. Ka jebe now.
Okay, ta.
Amazinu.
The Honorable Prince.
You are the best to know.
Oh yeah, Dragon Mom.
This is my friend.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Watch out. Okay, one. And my prince, you shouldn't have bothered coming now. You should have sent for me.
Oh no, don't worry. Now I'm here.
You are welcome.
Thank you very much.
I'm
not in the mood for that. Oh no, I came to say thank you very much for all the love and support you showed us during my late father's burial. Email of Ma. Thank you very much.
Prince, you don't need to thank me. I did my work as an Ono. Your father was a great king and must be buried like a king. Oh?
You did so well. You did so well. Thank you very much. May the gods reward you.
Thank you so much.
I keep saying this. You are the best to know.
God bless.
Hey.
You say you don't want to take anything.
I'm fine. I will soon be leaving. I just came to say thank you.
Tere? Let me break this news. I'm not down. My prince, I had a meeting yesterday with the elders and we concluded that you take the throne immediately since you are the crowned prince of our land. Congratulations.
Oh no, wait.
Igwe.
Oh no, wait. Are you telling me that you people have decided to crown me the next king of this land?
We have decided.
Like I'm the new king.
You are now the Igwe Imeke.
Oh no, there is problem. Oh no, there is problem.
There's no problem.
Are you serious?
No problem.
Hey, Buru. Oh no, you are the best. Oh no, you are the best. Oh no.
Now you can sip now.
Of course, I will sip now.
Yes. Oh my God. Son, this is the best news I have received of recent.
Congratulations, brother.
Congratulations, my prince.
Thank you very much. This is good news. My soul almost jumped out of my body when Onu told me that I will be crowned the next king. The next king. Onu just made my day.
I know. I can imagine. To tell you the truth, I knew it will come to pass, but I didn't know it would be so soon. Congratulations, son.
Thank you very much.
I'm super proud of you.
The gods are at work. And you too, listen. You should start learning how to call me Igwe. Thanks, my love. I'm excited too. Few weeks from now, I will be crowned king. You know what? Dress up. I'm coming to take you out. Sight can wait. Dress up. And don't forget you're talking to a future king. So address me as Igwe.
Oh. Prince.
Greetings, Onu.
My prince,
Adema, how are you, sir?
I'm fine.
Onu, I was on my way to your house.
I hope all is well.
All is well, Onu. I just wanted to find out how you're faring and also ask how you are preparing for my coronation.
Oh, about the coronation? You don't need to bother yourself. As I'm talking to you now, all arrangements have been completed. Everything is in order.
Oh no, that coronation is dear to me. So please, I don't want lapses.
Consider it done. I'm with you.
Good. Where are you going to?
Actually, I'm going to Sheik's house on the same matter.
Hope you let me drop you.
Amara?
Ha!
The only prince in Kem.
No. You should start learning how to address me as Igwe.
Oh, Igwe! Ore. Di chuzole. Oh yeah, there go mama. Come back. by the power vested on me, and you know of this kingdom, I crown you the Ezekibie II of Ugweke Kingdom. Ogadrege maneke. Ogadrege manoye. Ogadrege manafo. Ogadrege mananko.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, yo! How you doing, everybody? What's up? What's going on?
My friend, who are you and what are you doing here?
My prince, please calm down. Young man, who are you? What are you doing here?
Good question. Good question. Good question, OG. Good question. Good question. Good question. Good question, OG.
My friend, will you go straight to the point? Why are you here?
Oh, sorry for interrupting your celebration or whatever it is y'all are having right now. I'm sorry about that, my bad. I'm sorry about that, my bad. Well, I go by the name Charles, aka the Designer King. I'm here to see my poppy, y'all. I'm here to see my pop.
Asigeni.
All the
Pap. Young man, stop confusing us here with your big grammar. Talk to us in a language you can understand. If you want pap, no problem. We can direct you to Mamuche. She sells the best akamu in this kingdom.
Okay, I guess you didn't get me correctly when I said, okay, it's good. I'm here to see my pop, the king of this conglomerate.
Which king? What is he talking about? Who is this madman?
Listen, young man, we were busy before you rudely interrupted us. Yes. I am trying so hard to control myself. For the last time, who are you and what is your mission here? I know this face.
Huh?
Yes. This is the man I shot in my dream.
Yeah? What?
Baby, you mean this is the same man you saw in your dream?
Yes. This is the man I shot in my dream.
Wow.
Young man, you said your name is Charles.
Yup.
And the king is your father.
Is I?
Prove it.
Yeah.
Y'all want me to prove it?
Yes, let him prove it.
No, y'all want me to prove it?
Yes,
Huh?
prove it.
Prove it.
Y'all want me to prove it, huh?
Yes.
Y'all want me to prove it, huh?
Yeah.
No, y'all want me to prove it, huh?
Prove it.
Y'all want me to prove it, huh? Here's my father. My pop here. Yes, my pop. You know what I'm saying? Yes, my pop. My pop here. Here's my pop. You know what I'm saying? It's my pop here. It's my pop here. Yes, my pop. You know what I'm saying? Yes, my pop. My pop here. Yes, my pop. It's my pop here. Hated and love it. That's my pop here.
That's my husband.
Yeah, that's what's up, yo. More. Yeah, that's what's up. In case you know, my father and I will have this father and son bone kind of shit. My father and I will have this father and son bone kind of shit. He used to visit me in California. We'll do all type of shit. We'll do good glove together. You know, say wine with all the strippers and shit. But I know y'all don't know all that shit I would do. Now listen. 2 months ago, I was expecting my dad to come for my mom's funeral. I expected him. He didn't show up. Papa never showed up. Papa never showed up. He never showed up. Then I decided to come through. Decided to come through to know what's going on with my papa, yo. Because, I mean, it's taking more than...
Oh no, you're making this issue more confusing. Who is this man? What is he saying? What is true?
It is true.
What are you talking about, Ono?
no.
Your Majesty.
Oh no.
My king. Sorry. Sorry, sir.
I called you here because there is something very important that I want to share with you.
Okay, sir.
No,
Your Majesty.
you have been more than a cabinet minister,
Okay.
more than a friend.
I know.
You are like a brother to me. Oh no,
Your Majesty.
there is a secret I want to share only with you.
Okay, sir. My king. You can always count on me. What is it that is bothering you? Tell me.
Now I have a son.
I know you have a son now. Prince Elvis, is it what is bothering you?
I am not talking about Elvis. I am talking about Charles.
Charles. Who is Charles? Charles.
33 years ago, no, I cheated on my wife, which resulted in the death of Charles.
Your Majesty, if I may ask, where is Charles?
He is in California with his mother, Obi.
Obi. Who is Obi?
Obi, the child of my heart, my sweetest fragrance,
Igwe.
the joy of my youth, my one and only, my everything.
Oh,
What?
greetings, my friend.
Greetings, beautiful one. Excuse me. Wow. What an amazing beauty. Do you know they say the beautiful ones are not yet born? But the day you came into this world proved them wrong.
Thank you, my friend.
You're too beautiful.
Thank you.
Please, what's your name?
My name is Obi, my prince.
Obi. Are you from this kingdom?
Yes, my prince, I am.
Do you know I've walked around this kingdom all the years of my life. I've never come across anyone as beautiful as you are.
My prince, you tease me.
Sorry, whose daughter are you?
Late Chief Obidike, my prince.
Obidike. The Pawai Tapa.
Yes, my prince.
Ah! I said it. I know your father. In fact, his Pawai used to be the best in this kingdom. As a matter of fact, he used to be my father's best friend.
Hey, my prince.
What a small word.
Yes, my prince.
Obi, I want us to continue the line of friendship that your father and I left in the past. Let's be friends. I like you. adorable maiden of our land.
Good evening, my prince.
Good evening. How are you doing today?
As you can see, I'm fine.
Obi, you cannot be fine with this heavy load on your head. Idika?
Yes, my prince.
Come and help out with this.
No, my prince. Thank you. I can help myself.
Obi,
My prince.
please, consider me. Consider me. From the first day I set my eyes on you, I've not been myself. Your picture is all over my head and my imaginations. Please, just give me a chance. Love me back because I'm in love with you. Please.
You, me, love. My prince, let me advise you. Stop daydreaming and face reality. I am not interested. I don't want now. Is it hard for you to understand? Achoromu. Biko, excuse me.
Obi, please. Let's go.
Sorry. Mama, sorry. Mama, please. Please. Sorry. Mama, sorry. 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 Oh, sorry. Mama, sorry. It's okay. Mama. I'm so sorry. Mama, sit down. Try and sit. Sorry. No more. No. Mama, let me just. Wait, let me answer. Wait. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Nothing will happen to you. Oh, sorry. Nothing will happen to you. Mama, nothing will happen to you. Oh, I don't know why these people are not working. I don't know why they are not working. No. Sorry. You'll be fine. Oh, Mama, be good. Mama, you'll be fine. Mama, be good. Don't do this to me. Mama, don't do this to me, please.
How are you?
I'm fine, my prince. What of the king?
Oh, he's doing well. Perfectly well.
Honestly, your father is doing absolutely well in this kingdom. Everybody in this kingdom is very happy the way he's presiding, governing, and putting everything in order.
Thank you very much for the compliment.
God bless you. I've been meaning to see you, but thank God you're here. My prince, I actually have two cousins whom I believe I want to bring them to the palace for them to serve as maiden. I don't know how possible it will be.
Okay. Just bring them first.
Okay, I'll do that. But honestly, your father is doing very well in this kingdom.
Thank you for the compliment.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, my prince.
Toby. Why do you look so pale? What's wrong with you? What happened?
Prince.
Yes? What happened?
It's my mother.
Mama, what happened to Mama?
My mother, she is very sick.
You never bothered telling me that Mama is sick.
My prince, the drugs the chemist gave her is not working. So I'm going back to see if he can give me another one.
Obi, that won't be necessary. Take me to Mama. She needs medical attention now. Let's take her to the hospital.
Hospital? My prince, please. I don't have money for hospital bill. I don't have money for hospital bill. God knows I don't have money for hospital bills.
Who is asking you to pay the hospital bill? I'm not asking you to pay that. Neither am I asking for your approval. Just take me to Mama. Let's take her to the hospital. She needs medical attention. Please, let's go. Obi, have you thought about my proposal?
Yes, I have.
And what's your answer? What's your answer now? Tell me. Talk to me.
My answer is yes.
Yes! Yes! People of this kingdom Obi said yes to me! She said yes!
Wait.
You just said yes.
But
You just said yes!
wait, but on one condition. One condition.
Okay, what's the condition? Tell me, whatever thing it is, I will hit to it.
Good. There will be no sex, no kissing, no touching, no romance during the dating. If you will accept it, then we can start.
That won't be a problem. Obi, listen. The love I have for you is not all about sex. From the depth of my heart, Obi, I sincerely and honorably love you. Sex is nothing. Okay? Just love me the way I love you. That's fine now.
Are you sure?
I want to make a promise to you.
Are you sure?
Perfectly sure. Okay. I want to make a promise to you.
Okay. I'm listening.
So far as I'm concerned, Obi, I will make sure that no tears will draw down from these eyes. Oh. It's a promise.
Thank you.
Come on. Come on. Okay. Thank you.
Mama, good evening.
Evening, my daughter.
This one you are very happy. What is the secret? What is inside this bag?
Mama, look at all the things the prince bought for us. Look.
Hey, whoa. This is too much now.
Yes, it is.
Hey, God will bless him for me.
Amen. Mama, that is not all. He gave me 30,000 naira to replace all your drugs that are finished. And then the remaining one, you should use it to buy whatever you want.
You don't mean it.
Take.
Hey!
Mama, hold the bag.
Give me the money. Prince, God will bless you.
Amen.
God will continue to bless you.
Amen, Mama.
This is too much.
It is. My daughter, Mama, where are you going with a knife?
Adam, I want to go to the backyard and cut some vegetables that we'll use to make soup that we'll eat tonight.
Mama, don't worry, give me. Go and rest. Just go and enjoy. Enjoy yourself and come.
Hey, Adam. Indomie. Hey, Prince, God will bless you. Adanaya. I've been watching you smiling. What is it?
Mama, you are here. It's nothing. I'm just happy. I'm just so happy.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mama.
That reminds me. How about the prince?
Mama, the prince is fine. He asked after you, though.
Yeah.
Yes.
Adam. Talking about the prince, I want you to be very careful.
Remember, we are not royalty, but commoners.
How do you mean, Mama?
Adam, no matter how you love the prince, he can never marry a commoner like you. So be very careful. Yes.
You don't have to be angry at your father. He is your father.
He is my father.
Yes.
No, because he is my father, therefore I don't have the right to decide for myself. Yeah? Must he be the one to decide everything that has to do with my personal affairs? Yeah? Do I look like a boy? No, just take a good look at me. Do I look like a boy? So why? Why can't I decide for myself for once?
I understand. I understand, my prince. But he is still your father. He still sees you as his little boy. Don't allow this to make you get worked up. Okay? Yes, smile for me. My prince, I don't like that face. Come on, put a smile on it. That is my prince.
Now you feel you've gotten deep into me now, right?
Why not? Am I not ugly again?
Come here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you for being there for me all the time. Thank you for being my friend and for being the sister I never had.
Oh, you're welcome.
But I want to take you somewhere now. Let's go. I want to take you somewhere. Let's go.
Somewhere like where, my prince?
When we get there, you find out yourself. Back before you eat. Let's go.
No, this is not right. It's not right.
Obi,
My prince.
I love you. Doing this will strengthen the love we have for each other. Please.
My prince, I don't think it's the right thing for us to do.
Obi.
Hey, my prince, I've not done it before. I've not done it before.
I've heard you. I've heard you, okay? We can take care of it. Please, let's just do this. I beg you.
My prince, promise me that if we do this, you will never abandon me.
Never.
Do you promise?
It's a promise, Obi. I love you so much.
My prince, promise you will take it easy with me. I've not done it before.
I will.
You will take it easy.
It's a promise.
Okay, my prince. You will take it easy with me.
Obi, I have something important to tell you.
I'm all ears, my prince. Is everything all right?
Everything is fine. But promise me you will not be upset with what I'm about to tell you. Just put yourself together.
I'm all ears. Talk to me. What is it? My prince. My prince. What is it? I'm here for you. Talk to me. What is it?
My marriage is fixed.
This is good news. It's good news. My love, we're getting married. I can't wait to be called your wife. I'm so happy.
That's the problem.
That is the problem.
I'm getting married to the princess of Alike Kingdom. I tried everything within my powers to stop this marriage from holding, but all to no avail.
You are joking, right? My prince, please.
No.
Tell me this is a joke. Tell me it's not real. This can't be real.
No. I'm not joking. I'm very sorry it's happening this way. I tried talking to my father. But you know my father is a very stubborn man. Worst of it all is that she's pregnant with my child.
Hey! My prince, no! No! You have killed me! You have killed me! You have finished me!
Please. Please, Obi. Just... No.
Did I hear you say she is carrying your child? She is carrying your child.
Just please calm down.
My prince, you have finished me.
Sit down, please.
Tell me, where do I go from here? Where do I go from here? My prince, how could you do this to me? You have finished me! No!
Please, just sit. Just sit down, okay?
Don't leave me alone! How could you do this to me?
Please, just sit. Sit down, please. Please, just sit down.
No, leave me alone!
Hello? Is there anybody in this house? House? Oh.
What are you doing here? What do you want? What have you come here to do? Please, go back to your wife.
Obi, I know I've wronged you, but it was not intentional. You are the one I love. You and I know that from the depth of my heart, you are the person I love.
Lies. All lies. You even have the guts to lie to my face. You had it all planned out, don't you?
No. How can you say anything like this? Obi, you know very well that at that point there was nothing I could do. My father's word is final.
Get out of my father's compound.
Obi, I am sorry.
Get out of my father's compound at once. Leave!
You don't have to chase me out of your compound.
With all due respect, I say leave.
What is going on here?
Mama.
What?
Mama, it's nothing. My prince, you're here.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, please have a seat.
Mama, he's already going.
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mama.
My prince.
Obi.
My prince, please. Mama, don't worry, he's already going. You're already on your way now. My prince.
Obi, you are here. Didn't you hear me call? Obi!
Ma? I didn't hear you.
Obi, you are moody. What is the problem?
Mama, I'm okay. I'm fine.
I'm your mother. And I know when all is not well with you.
So tell me, what is the problem?
Does it have to do with the prince?
Everything is fine. I'm okay. As for the prince, I asked him to leave because I don't want to get fond of him. I just needed my space. Yeah.
It's okay. I understand. Okay, take this money, go to any nearby shop and get me my bathing soap.
Take.
Go and buy me my bathing soap.
I should buy
My bathing soap to any nearby shop.
your bathing soap. Come on. Don't talk to me.
I know I've deeply hurt you, but I'm so sorry.
My prince.
Forgive me.
My prince, what are you doing? Please stand up. Eh? People are watching. Please stand up, my prince.
Let them watch. Let them watch. Let them watch, Obi. Do you think I care?
My prince, you're embarrassing me like this. We're outside. What do you think people will say? Okay, fine.
Forgive me, please.
My prince. Okay, you are forgiven. Okay, I forgive you. I forgive you. Please just get up, please, 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 my prince, get up.
You forgiving me?
Yes. What do you think people will say? Looking at you. Please, you are forgiven. Please, you are.
Thank you very much. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for everything that happened. But can I get help from you? Please. Okay.
Who is your love? Don't you know where your love is? Please do not call me that again. Don't.
Come on, Obi. What has come over you? Obi, you know that from the depth of my heart, it's only you that I love, but no other one. Huh? In as much as I know that the tradition will not permit us to marry, does not stop me from loving you.
Oh, you knew about it, yet you came to deceive me. You knew. Anyway, that is not why I'm here. I am pregnant with your child.
You are what?
You heard me. I am pregnant with your child.
Obi, tell me you are joking.
How can I joke?
Just tell me you are joking.
How can I joke with something as serious as this? How can I joke with this? Please, my prince.
Serious.
Do not make me angry. Don't make me angry. I am carrying your child.
Obi, you have to abort the child.
God forbid. Never. I will never abort the child. Do whatever you want to do. I don't care. But abortion is not an option. The child must be delivered. That is final.
Obi, what did I do to you that you decided to bring this shame to me? What? What? After all my warnings, you went ahead and get pregnant for the prince. Come on now! Where is he? Where is he? Where?
Mama, Memo. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. It was not intentional. It was a mistake. I made a mistake. Please.
Forgive you? You say? Did you say I should forgive you?
Yes, Mama, please. Please forgive me.
Do you know the shame you have brought upon this family? Do you know the shame you have brought upon me?
I know, Mama, please.
I am disappointed at you. I am totally disappointed at you. I never raised you this way.
Mama, no.
I never raised you this way.
Mama, please. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please.
Is it not better I die?
No, Mama, you can't die. You can't die. Leave me.
It's better I die.
No, Mama, you can't die. I'm so sorry. Mama.
What would I tell my fellow women? My fellow women! Miss me, Mama! What of your uncle? Ibe! Ibe that has been looking for a way to chase us away from here.
I know.
Ibe has won!
No, Mama!
Ibe has won!
Mama, no, Mama, please forgive me. Forgive me now, Mama.
This is a good reason. This is a good reason for him to chase us away.
Mama, he will not. He will not. Mama, please. I'm sorry. Mama, I'm sorry. Mama, please. Mama, let me get water for you. I'm so sorry. I won't do it again. Mama. Somebody help me. Everything will be fine. I don't know what else to do.
Sorry.
Mama.
It's fine. Mother was a good woman.
She's the only one I have. What? What have you come here to do? What do you want? You have come to mock me. Why? Why have you come to mock me?
Obi, how can you say something like that? No, how can I mock you over the demise of your mother? I just heard the news and I rushed down just to see you. What?
Congratulations. You have succeeded in killing the only person in my life. Congratulations. Please, I beg you with everything you hold here. Please leave my father's compound.
Obi, can you please calm down?
We are commoners. You are royalty. Please go back to your palace. Go back to your wife. And leave me there alone. Leave me alone. Please.
Obi, just hear me out. Okay? Just hear me out. Just calm down and hear me out.
I said leave. You don't want to go.
Please.
Please. Just go. She will harm you. Just go.
Come back here! Come back here!
No, don't kill him. It's okay.
Come back into my mother's court!
It's okay.
Come back into my mother's court! Leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone! I eat my mother!
Obi, I was there looking for you. You are here. Please stop crying. For how long, Obi? For how long will you continue to live a miserable life while the father of this baby lives his life freely? Please, calm down, Obi. You know you are my favorite niece. If you can't talk to anyone else, you need to talk to me. Because I need to know who the father of this baby is. Tell me. Please. Oh, come now. Come, we go. I know. There's nothing we can do. Please, just come. Let's go. Stop crying. Enough of that, please. And stand up, please. Stand up, please. Please stand. Obi, stand up. Come. Keep it actually. Why are you obviously she's in labor?
Yes.
She's in labor?
Yeah, she's in labor.
How big him?
Yes.
Hey.
Let's go. You mean
I pray she deliver like a Hebrew woman.
Yes, I pray.
There's no need to waste time. Let's go.
Why are you opening your eyes so wide as if we are quarreling? Are we quarreling?
Are we friendly before?
My problem in this kingdom is one thing.
What is your problem? Tell me.
A very beautiful lady, very responsible, very elegant, curved, got pregnant. Not even that she got pregnant is my problem.
What is your problem?
My problem is that she got pregnant and we don't even know who gave her that pregnancy.
What is your business with her pregnancy and the person that got her pregnant?
Do you even know who I'm talking to?
I don't know who person you are. No matter who you are talking to, what is your business?
Obi is a
my
very
niece.
Yes.
Thank you.
That's what I'm saying. Can you avail me that information? Because we don't like people to be misled in this village. We like the truth. Who got Obi pregnant?
You are responsible for her pregnancy. That is what you want to do. You are the one that got her pregnant.
Don't let it be what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
Are you sure you're not the one that pregnanted Obi?
Why do you want to know? What's your business there? What do you want? Why do you want to know? Sister, imagine. What do you want to know?
married the same girl in the village. And I'm Obi. One got pregnant. And we don't know who pregnanted this lady.
Why do you want to know? What's your business? What is your business? Okay, now monitoring food. After my sister called you, bye-bye. Allow you to go.
Mom, nonsense.
Silly, bakute. Go and do your, go and look, go for your own.
What are you doing here? What part of stay away from me don't you understand?
Obi, please. Please. Have mercy on me. I know I've deeply wronged you, Obi. I know. Just allow me to see my son. Please.
Did I hear you say your son? What son? The same one you asked me to get rid of. Please, leave this place.
Please.
You do not have a son here.
Please, Obi. Please, Obi. Punish me in any way you wish. I love you. And I still love you and my son. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Do not deny me access to him. Please.
Baby. Oh, my baby. Oh. Do not cry.
Let me touch you. Let me touch my son. Let me touch my son, please.
Do not touch my son. Don't.
Obi. Please.
Baby, are you hungry?
Let me
Don't
touch
touch
him.
my son. Don't. Oh.
Yeah. He's a handsome guy.
He is.
Yeah.
Took after his father.
Definitely. My love, I'm deeply sorry. Okay. It's just that I didn't want to hurt my father, and I didn't want to lose the throne, nor you. Okay. If I told anybody what I've been through, even you will not believe me. Just forgive me.
Should have explained everything to me. Eh?
Yes, yes, I know.
See, I was angry. I was very angry when you didn't come on the day of delivery.
Yes, I know. I know. Just that my wife was in labor that same day. And she had complications. Immediately I got the news that he was in labor. I have to send her farm and the chief guard to come and be with you at the delivery center. I didn't know what else to do. Please. I know I've failed you as a lover. I've failed you as a father.
Baby, come to mama.
Yeah. That's why I didn't know how to face you.
Like father, like son.
Yeah, he took after me.
He's so much like you.
Yes. As I was saying, because I didn't know how to face you. I don't know how to face you, that's why I couldn't come. But this is why. I'm so sorry. I just wish you could find a place in your heart to forgive me. But now, I think I'm ready to take up my responsibilities as a man. Which is the reason I'm here. you know, we've always wished to live as wife and husband. Okay. And because of the situation of things, we couldn't do anything about it. I think I've preferred an idea.
An idea?
Yes.
Let me
Yes.
hear it.
I want to send you and my boy abroad so you people can have a better life. Every preparation has been made. All I need is just your consent.
Oh, you want to send us away? Hmm? Listen to your father. You want to send us away?
Listen, Obi, I'm not sending you away. I'm not sending you away. I just want you and my boy to have a better life for the future. Please, just give me your consent. Please.
Can you hear your father?
Should I agree to his proposal, could it be that he is trying to send us away for good? I am not really certain about this. But then, I know he can't hurt his blood. Traveling out with my son will be for the best interest.
After saying all these things, what did you tell him?
I have not given him an answer yet. I don't know if he's to accept or reject his proposal. I'm confused, Uncle. I'm confused.
I am even more confused than you. I'm confused.
I think I should accept. At least, if not for anything, for the sake of my son. I don't want anything to happen to him. I think we will have a good life over there.
Are you sure about your decision?
Yes, Uncle.
What? Before your head. There's absolutely nothing I can say. Go ahead. You have my blessing.
Thank you. Thank you so much for everything. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. No, what are you thanking me for? I did what any father would do for his child. So I don't see need for this thank you. I should be the one thanking you for letting me play the role of a father in the life of our child. That reminds me. Have you thought about what we discussed the last time?
Yes, I have.
So, what's the answer?
I have accepted to travel with my son.
Thank you.
I see that as the only option for me at the moment.
I'm so happy. You don't know how excited I am right now.
But on one condition.
Condition? So, okay, fine. What's the condition?
You have to marry me first.
Obi, you and I know that from the depth of my heart, I really want to marry you. In fact, we would have been married before now. Why are you making this thing look so serious? I know our tradition does not permit me to marry...
To marry a commoner, right? That is what you wanted to say. Tradition will not allow you to marry a commoner.
But the same tradition permits you to have a child with a commoner. Don't you want your son to be legally yours? Haven't I suffered enough? Haven't I? Just one thing. One thing that I've asked of you. One thing that I've asked you to do for me. I am the mother of your son. I am the mother of your son. For crying out loud, I am.
Bobby, fine, it's okay. I'll marry you. Yeah. Yes, I'll marry you.
You're not joking, right?
No, I'm not. But it's going to lie between us and your uncle. Just inform him to prepare the marriage list. I'm coming.
You're not joking, right? You're serious.
Yes, I'm serious.
Okay. I'll tell him.
Yes. Hey. Charles, you're welcome.
Yo, Isai.
I'm your uncle. Your mother was my niece.
Oh, UNCLE?
You are welcome back home. I thank the gods for making me to see this day. You're welcome.
Sup, UNCLE?
You're welcome back home.
Sup, UNCLE? Thanks, UNCLE. Thanks, UNCLE.
Elvis.
Chief, I have been seeing things, but what I saw today was too big.
Ichiogo, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. The king betrayed us.
How do you mean?
Are you the one asking this question? How can the king have another son somewhere and never bother to tell us?
Indeed, that's a betrayal of the highest order. But that's not my problem. My problem is the arrival of the Americana. Seems to be arrival of problem in this community.
Ishiogo, hey, you are right too.
Okay.
Yeah, Wanya. This is a trap. I smell trouble.
You're just smelling. Me, I'm seeing the trouble already. It's only the gods that can save us from this trouble. Also, Chukwu, okay. Ganaputa ina nsogbu a. Ifukere.
What can we do?
Onajum.
How? Onya.
Okay.
Onya o. Kailele o.
My son.
Yow.
This is your mother's compound. It is your maternal home. This is where your mother was born. She grew up here. You were also born here before both of you relocated to America.
Fund of Correction, California. California.
Okay. California. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Here is your maternal home.
Fund of Correction, you don't tell me here's my crib. Where I live in America, you know what I'm saying? It's some way premium shit, you know. Beverly Hills, you know what I mean, yo.
Okay.
Lining with all top of shit. But hey, I'm out here to see my pops, yo. My OG. I want to see my OG. Ain't nobody can tell me no about my OG. Where's my OG? Where my pops, yo? Where my OG?
We'll talk about that later. But here is this is your house.
That's what I'm talking about. Where my OG? Ain't nobody can tell me where my OG. I ain't trying to tell me my OG ain't no more.
Hey, please speak in the language.
I ain't trying to tell my OG ain't no more.
Hey, please speak the language I understand. You are confusing me the more. But for your father, we are going to talk about that later. But here is your house. This is your compound.
I want to see my OG.
You will see.
I want to see my OG. I want to see my OG.
Son, it's okay. Calm down.
No. How am I supposed to calm down? My coronation was just cancelled because a drug addict came out from nowhere claiming to be my stepbrother, and you're asking me to calm down. Who does that?
It's okay. That's the reason I asked you to calm down. You are the heir apparent to this throne. Whether anybody likes it or not, but the only thing I'm saying is just calm down. The elders cancelled your coronation because they are trying to buy time to sort out the mystery. That's all. Arana, calm down.
I cannot calm down because someone is trying to take what rightfully belongs to me. This is a slap on my face. It's a height of insult. I can't take this.
It's all right.
Hey, my OG. Me a mansa, me my OG, yo. Me a mansa, me my OG.
Sit down first, calm down.
No, me a mansa, me my OG, yo. Me a mansa, me my OG, yo.
We say you need answer. Sit down first. I will tell you more. I will tell you. You are welcome. Thank you very much, my son. Yes. He died 2 months ago and was buried weeks later. You see, as please calm down. Calm down.
What the fuck? What?
My son, please calm down. Calm down.
What the fuck? So ya mean my OG dead and you haven't seen me? No, ya mean my OG dead and you haven't seen me?
Hey, also.
So my pops dead, you and you haven't seen me?
Now I get you. Yes. He died 2 months ago and was buried weeks later. You see, as our tradition demands, we are about to replace him with his son, Prince Elvis, before you came and interrupted us.
Oh, shit. See, my intention is to see my pops, yo. Been a minute, been a while. Came to see him over. Jay-Z, P. Diddy. I know you don't know all that. Those are my homies, yo. I told them I'm gonna be coming over, you know what I'm saying? I let them know they come over so we could do some real shit. Now you tell me my OG dead. What am I gonna tell Cheesy over? What am I gonna tell him all?
Please, my son, you did the right thing by coming back home. Not only that, you came at the right time. Yes, you're also a candidate for the throne.
Hire me, uncle. Hire me.
What I'm saying is that...
Hire me, uncle. Hire me.
Okay.
How do you mean? Or I don't know you are saying.
Now you are... I told you to speak the language that we understand. What I'm saying is that you came at the right time. It's well time. Not only that, you are coming is for you to compete with your brother. Prince Elvis, because one of you must be crowned the king of this kingdom, this great kingdom. So you are welcome, my son. You are welcome. Hey, what can you want? Please, stop. No, don't cry. Stop. No, this is okay.
Mommy.
Listen.
Talking me. Talking me.
Yeah. Joy, could take a room. Give me a cup of water. Joy. Give me a cup of water.
You're welcome.
Oh,
Hey, Papa, how was the coronation? How did it go?
it's a coronation. The coronation was cancelled.
Cancelled?
Yes.
But why?
A lot happened at the palace today.
What happened?
Not today, I can't tell you as late tomorrow. As I was about crowning the prince, Elvis, another young man surfaced. Introduced himself as the king's son.
King's son?
Yes.
So the king has another son?
Yes. Maybe he got it from another woman. That is the result of triangular love.
Yeah.
So with this, we have to suspend the coronation.
Hey, whoa, Papa Nsobu de kwa.
It's Nsobu. Otokoto Nsobu. I'm all ears on.
But Papa, I have a question. Will Prince Elvis still be crowned?
They have to settle themselves. You understand? Before we know who becomes the king. Time will tell.
Nsobu de kwa.
Trouble Nkwogbe na Afawo. Otokoto trouble. I bomb no. I'm very hungry.
Let me go and get you food.
Oh, yeah.
This is bad news, oh, Papa.
Oh, what very bad news? Where came good news? This year, none. As no na bezo ka heri udele. Atongega mu. I have never been confused and unprepared like this before. We have a crucial matter at hand, and my question remains: what do we do? Can I get me?
Oh no, you talk as if there's an issue here. As far as I'm concerned, this matter is as simple as ABCD.
How?
Fine, good question. It is obvious that the king has 2 sons. All we need to do is to find out who is the older. Then we crown the person the king.
Between 2 of them, huh?
Between 2 of them. Okay. Then I will crown the person the king. That is exactly what our tradition demands.
It is easier said than done. Besides that, nothing yet to prove that Charles is a legitimate son to the king.
Chedike, don't go there.
Huh?
There's everything to prove that he is the senior. Yes. My sister was married, properly married to the king, like every other woman in this community. So we found out.
Ndo. What's the going on?
Oh, give me.
So you're passing me like that. Who quarreling?
Hold your greeting to yourself. My prince, I never knew you are this wicked and heartless. To God who made me, if not for my sister who pleaded on your behalf, I would have visited the palace long ago. And I know you wouldn't have been happy with the outcome. So you are the one responsible for her pregnancy all along. And you keep watching her suffer and being ridiculed. You did nothing. Let me tell you, if you think taking her to Bodo Yibo will make your sins forgiven, you are a liar. You lie. Because I will never forgive you. Not in this life. Unyara.
Ndo. You should understand. But it hasn't gotten to this.
When will you get to that?
The way you're picking it up now. It hasn't gotten to this. I expected you to understand me. A lot happened at the same time that period. I didn't know what to do. Besides, I didn't want to lose the throne.
You don't want to lose her. You don't want to lose her. You don't want to lose you. Don't you know all this before putting her into family way? Don't you know?
No. That is the more reason I was coming to see you.
You're coming to see me?
Yes.
To see me for what? What do you want to see me for?
No, I've decided to stand my ground as a man. Yes. I want to marry your sister. To make her my real wife, not a concubine.
Oh, you want to marry my sister? Now you are now talking like a reasonable man. Let me tell you the truth. This is the best decision you have made since you were born. At least by now, your son can be yours.
Yes, that's the reason I want to do the needful. Yes. And I need your help.
What help you need?
I was actually on my way to your house so we can put heads together. Make arrangement on how we'll come and pay her diaries. I want to make her my wife, like I said earlier. But please, I want this marriage arrangement to lie between you, I, and Obi. No other person, not even my mother, the Queen Mother, should be aware of this. Maybe after the whole marriage arrangement, I might decide to make you a member of my cabinet.
Kai, Odogu, okay. Chai, there's no problem. If once you are ready, even from here now, we can go. Yes, anytime you are ready, just confide in me. I'm ready.
Thank you very much. Meanwhile, I was on my way to your house. So why not take me to your house so we can discuss?
Prince, you're on your own, I am on my own. Let me go and finish up with what I'm doing. I will come back.
I insist you take me to your house.
I insist you go, let me go. Just I said trap, let me go and check my trap.
I insist.
I insist, let me come over.
Yeah. Ichiendo. I hope you're telling us the truth. I hope you are not cooking all these stories just to make your sister's son the king.
Why should I cook up such a story to you, my brothers? I know a day like this will come. That was why I kept this till date.
Ichiendo. Ichiendo.
Aye. I knew it would come.
Yeah. Ichiendo. Ichiendo. We have seen the evidence you presented to us, but it's not enough proof to your story.
Yes. He is telling the truth.
The
king told me same himself. He is telling the truth.
Oh no.
Huh?
I don't understand you.
So,
now, which one is the king told you this? The king told you that. Please, I want to ask you. Is there another thing that the king told you that you don't want to let us know?
Must I tell you everything the king told me before he died?
Yes,
I don't have to.
You have to.
You have to.
You have to.
Must he tell you how to? Yes.
You have to tell us.
Must he tell you how to? Yes.
It's not possible. You don't know. It's not possible.
He's still no.
So, my son, the elders have agreed to make proper investigation to know who is the eldest of you two. He will be crowned king after investigation.
Listen, UNCLE, yo, UNCLE, yo, UNCLE.
I'm going to come see Elia.
UNCLE means uncle, you know what I'm saying? That's how we say it in the United States of America.
Okay. Yes. I'm the uncle. Yes, I know.
Good. See, speaking of being an African king or top of shit, I ain't interested in what a king, top of shit, yo, other kind of cake, top of shit, yo, I ain't interested in that. I don't know. See, my plan is to get up the hip hop community high here. hip hop mentality. You know, I'm so hip hop inclined. You know, the state. That's how I have the likes of Jay-Z, who grew up in the same hood, neighborhood. Grew up in the same hood, neighborhood. Yeah.
Thank you. I get you now. You have to. You have to. Your birthright is what we are talking about here. You will do that after, but for now, what we are talking about, how to crown the king.
Nah.
No.
I want to bring up hip hop community.
After becoming the king, you bring whoever you want to bring.
I want to bring up hip hop community. I want to bring up hip hop. You can be hip hop too. You can be hip hop. Yeah.
Hip hop.
Jesus' father is hip hop. You know what I'm saying? Hip hop simply means, you know what I'm saying, the legendary, you know, the rap shit. You know what I'm saying? The neighborhood in America, you know what I'm saying? The ghetto side of hood, you know, we do all type of shit, you know what I'm saying? Bringing up all the young talent, you know what I'm saying? We got OGs in the hip hop. You can be an OG with your red cat, do the hip hop shit. You be the premium, you know what I'm saying? Look at how y'all see this. When I bring up all the OGs and you follow my lead, you know what I'm saying? I put you through how things have been done in America, you know, how y'all be the greatest rapper out here in Nigeria, whatever, you know what I'm saying? And you come out first.
I get you right. You see, what we are talking here is about our culture and tradition. You have to come back. As you are back home, you embrace the culture. Then any other thing you want to do, there's no problem.
Listen, I want you to be hip hop inclined, UNCLE. I want you to be hip hop inclined.
There's no problem.
Now, how y'all see this?
There's no problem.
Hold on. How y'all see this, Uncle? I'm sorry to call you a shit. How y'all see this? I bring up all the OGs in this community. Put up a battle. Put up a battle about the rap, and I'm saying, and I'm saying that y'all gonna win something. You know what I'm saying? Put up a battle. And because we're close, because you're my uncle, you in CLE, we're close, I'm gonna put you through, and you came out the force and you win.
Okay.
How would you feel?
That would be very good of you.
So my plan is to bring up hip hop community. That's my plan, yo. I don't want no African shit, king shit. Hip hop community. Because I'm so hip hop inclined, you know what I mean? I'm so hip hop inclined.
Hip hop. What are you talking of pop? I don't understand what. Talk to me in the language I understand.
Hip hop means hip hop mentality. It has to do with music, you know what I'm saying? Like we're the legendary in America, do the rapping shit, we rap. Like when we talk hip hop, we'll talk about rap. When you rap, music, mic, you rap and music.
You are convincing me the more. I don't understand what you are talking about. If you come back to our mother tongue, then I will listen to you. But this one you are talking, honestly, just wave it. We'll just wave it now. I don't understand you.
Told me that you rejected your food again. Why?
I'm not hungry.
Elvis, come on. You've been saying this for the past 3 days now. You can't continue like this. You can't continue to starve yourself.
And you can't tell an adult what to do. Excuse me.
But
I said leave.
It's fine.
My princess, I am very, very sorry. I was in the farm all through that day. Oh? Kedo, how have you been and everyone in the palace?
Well, I am fine. But the palace isn't.
Oh, what do you mean by that?
You know, after the recent happenings, everyone keeps to themselves. There is no communication. No one is laughing out loud. No smiles. Everyone is just acting like a stranger, and I am really bothered. I'm tired.
I understand. Eh? But how is Prince Elvis taking the whole thing?
He's human. He doesn't talk to anyone. Alcohol is now his best friend. He's really hot.
My princess, I understand how you feel, but you need to calm down. Oh, I want you to know this, that with time, everything will fall into place.
Amen.
Yes. You'll be fine. Smile for me. That is my princess.
Thank you.
Okay. I made a very special abacha.
No.
I insist. Let me get some for you.
Okay.
That is my
Thank
princess.
You. My phone, please.
Oga dịrị mma na ike.
Isai.
Dịrị mma na ọrịa.
Isai.
Dịrị na afọ.
Isai.
Dịrị na nkwọ.
Isai.
Eja na akara nke ama abụghị eso. Ị ga-achịka anyị.
Isai.
Now, by the power vested on me as the Onowu of this kingdom, I crown you Nwanwerugo, one of Alike Kingdom.
Isai. 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 Isai.
Alike Kwen! Yeah! Kwen! Yeah! Kwen! Yeah!
Ndị obodo anyị ema na ezigbo nsogbu dị yo. Ezigbo nsogbu dị yo, ema na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu dị. Obieze asarugo ọkụ. Ọ sarugo ọkụ. Ebe a na-asị isi ga-abụ eze. Ọrụ obodo anyị na-ama na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu dị yo, ema na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Obieze asarugo ọkụ. Ọ sarugo ọkụ. Ebe a na-asị isi ga-abụ eze. Ndị nzebe anyị na-ama na ezigbo nsogbu apa itebe. Ezigbo nsogbu dị yo, ịma na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Obieze asarugo ọkụ. Ọ sarugo ọkụ. Ebe a na-asị isi ga-abụ eze.
So it's true.
What is true?
That you are gradually becoming drunk. My love, this is not you. Yes, you lost the throne, but you didn't lose yourself. You have your family, you have me, people that love and care about you. Why are you doing this to yourself? I know you to be a strong man. Why is the throne determining your happiness? This is not nice. And you know whatever you do is affecting me. Please, can you stop it? This is not you.
Thank you.
It's not about you thanking me. It's about you quitting this habit. Quit it.
Thank you.
My love, please.
Thank you.
I heard you've not been eating too.
What kind of insult is this? How can a small boy just crown the other day keep us waiting for over 2 hours? Do we look jobless to him?
Ichendo, calm down. Butuo, calm down, please. Calm down.
Don't tell him calm down. Don't! We have been here for hours. And the king is nowhere to be found. Oh no.
What is all this?
My fellow elders.
Oh no.
You see, I know how you people feel. I know how all of you feel. Yes, but I will advise we exercise a little patience. He might have a cogent reason for the delay. You understand? So please, let's calm down a bit. Oh? I know how all of us feel.
Okay. Although for over 2 hours.
I know. But let's calm down. Oh?
It's not fair.
Ocheze nya bụ okwu ngwongwo. Onye ga-abụzi eze eberebe. Ife nkene na ọkarịa malụ ngwongwo. Allow me, make I sit on my throne.
Let's stand up for the king.
Ocheze nya bụ okwu ngwongwo. Ụmụeze na-abụ na onye ga-abụzi eze Ocheze nwa na-asara ọkụ ngwongwo. Allow me, I want to possess my
Hey, what's up, everybody? What's up? What's going on, though? What's going on? Yeah. What you want of me? What you want of me?
Igwe, in the first place, we are not happy the way you kept us waiting for over 3 hours. It is wrong for you to keep your cabinet members waiting.
Are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
First, the question here is what you thought? No, what you thought, my nigga? What you thought? No, I'm asking you what you thought. No, what you thought, my nigga? What you thought? No, they can't say a word. What you thought? No, what you thought, my nigga? What you thought? They can't say. No, what you thought?
I'm not tall.
What you thought, my nigga? What you thought?
I'm not okay, what I'm trying to say is that I am the Onu of this kingdom. You see, I stand the chance of giving you advices.
You stand the chance of giving me advice.
Yes.
Now, what the hell are you, though? Who the hell are you?
Just you know.
You know who?
Yes.
Of who? This kingdom?
Of this kingdom.
Who made you? No, who made you? Who made you? No, O-N-O-W, son. Who made you? No, who made you? No, who made you?
The people that made you king made me.
That's what's up. It means that who is the general overseer of this king?
Okay, you. It is
good. So whatever I say, you know that? Okay. I can take you off your own and and I can do that.
Okay.
Good. We have the vice president. We have the president. Doesn't mean the vice president is the president. The vice president don't tell the president what to do. I hope you know that. Okay. The president oversees everything. That means he's the general overseer of the kingdom or whatever, or the country. So it means I, the president, meaning me, myself, and I, the king of this kingdom, oversees everything. Not you. Okay. So if I say whatever I say sticks. So when I say what you thought, it makes me mad because you all are saying trash, you talk rubbish. But listen, bro, I don't want to say more. I don't want to go the other way around. I don't want to say more. There's a way I live my life in California. You don't come out and tell me to do shit. Can you come out and tell me to do shit in my palace? No. Now I choose to stand this way. What you gonna do? No, what you gonna do, my nigga? What you gonna do? So what you gonna do? So what you gonna do? No. My nigga, what you gonna do? Big chairs, nigga. Not for regular chair, nigga. I was having fun when you all came in. I got some little lullaby. Some lullaby means some creepy, small cream chick taking good care of me, giving me some of that lollipop and shit. But you can't understand because you're so local, nigga. You're so local.
You're local, man.
Yeah, real talk. You local, you know that. Instead of you to allow me so I can take you to United States, Beverly Hills, California, where you can see the lights of Jay-Z, you are here seeing shit. Now, Keisha, no, I want to go have fun. I got some lullaby, my nigga. Some lullaby. Where the fucking gats at? Lullaby, my nigga. Where my gats at? Some lullaby, my nigga. It's about that time I change all this shit. Listen, I'm changing all this attire outfit. You're gonna go 3-piece suit. What did I say? 3-piece suit. No, 3-piece suit. 3-piece suit. What did I say? What did I say? Now, as I roll, you follow my lead. What did I say? As I roll, you follow my lead. You go here and there. How you feel? You feel that? I want to see my guys do sing. Follow me. Feel that? How you feel? Real talk. Feel that? I want to see my guys do sing. Feel that? Feel that? I want to see all my guys do that. Feel that? I want to see all my guys do it.
Oh, Jimmy. I saw this coming.
Where is that?
I saw this coming. I know that we are in danger.
Child!
You have it. Stone him subtly, subtly. Subtle. Subtle.
Charles, where is my car key? Charles, where is my car key?
Elvis, I don't know what you're talking about.
I hate repeating myself. Where is my car key?
In the first place, what car key are you talking about?
My personal car.
Oh, your personal car is under my custody now, so. Just want you to know about it. Under my custody.
Listen, don't get me angry. I need my car key.
And if I don't give it to you, what you gonna do? Know what you gonna do? Elvis? First thing first, you ain't got courtesy, no respect. You come in here, into my conglomerate. I hope you understand I'm the king of this palace. So mind how you talk to me.
I hate repeating myself. Where is my car key?
Listen, I don't know if you're dumb or something, that you can't hear me clearly. I told you it's under my custody. There's nothing you can do about it.
I am not here to exchange words with you. Where is my car key?
Under my custody. Don't let me repeat myself again, because I ain't gonna do that.
Charles, be careful. Else I will do something that all of us will regret.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do, Elvis? Fucked up to yourself. All you do is come in here without respect. No courtesy and shit.
Huh?
Retarded little bro. And that's what you continue to be.
That watching tonight.
Ndị obodo anyị ema na ezigbo nsogbu dị o. Ezigbo nsogbu dị o, ema na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu dị, obi eze asarugo ọkụ. Ọ sarugo ọkụ. Ebe a na-azụ isi gabụ eze. Ọrụ obodo anyị na ama na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu dị o, ema na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu adịgo, obi eze asarugo ọkụ. Ọ sarugo ọkụ. Ebe a na-azụ isi gabụ eze. Ndị nzebe anyị na-ama na ezigbo nsogbu apa idebe. Ezigbo nsogbu dị o.
How you doing?
We are fine, my king.
Hey, stand up. You should see. The fact that I'm sitting don't make you see. That's so disrespectful. So disrespectful. I demand an apology. Say you're sorry for this shit.
I'm sorry.
See it again.
I'm sorry.
See it for the last time.
I am sorry.
That's what's up.
My king, we are fine. We are told that you wanted to see us. Hope there is no problem.
You, come right here.
Osegibia. Osegibia.
Oh, see. What's your name again?
I'm your cousin now.
Okay, I don't know.
Ichie. Ichiendo.
I'm not interested. I don't know, man. Okay. It's not the way I live my life, man. It's the way I live my life.
Come on.
Now come here. Come closer. What the fuck? What the? Nigga, you know you oozes, you know that?
Ọ sị na ị na-eshi mkpimkpi. Ị na-eshi mkpimkpi.
Now let me ask you, when was the last time you took your bath?
I know, my king. I had my bath before coming down here.
This shit seemed like 2 years, bro. You ain't taking your bath since 2 years. It's fucked up. Do the right thing. You can't do the right thing. Or you'll come out here and say bullshit. Hey, king, this is the way you're supposed to. But look at you. No fragrance, no. So yo, nigga, you were so odorous and shit. Now listen to me. Let me intimate you all on something. By the way, get the fuck out of here. Go back to your position. Get the fuck out of here and go back to your position. Whatever that means, I don't know. But maybe I think that's what's up. Yeah. You got it correct. Yeah. That's what's up. Yeah. Now listen. You already know I go by the name Charles, aka the Designer King. What did I say? AKA Designer King. Say it again.
Designer King.
Say it again.
AKA Designer King.
You can do better than this.
AKA Designer King.
Say it for the last time.
AKA Designer King.
That's what's up, yo. That's what's up, yo. You know what I'm saying? Well, the truth of the matter is, I don't like the way you're dressed in my kingdom. Man, you already know I'm here for the take. It's my kingdom. So I decide whatever happens right here in my kingdom, my conglomerate. You feel me? See what I'm talking about? Look at what you're putting on. Look at your shoes. Y'all can't grow. No improvement. But when it comes to hey, king, you're not behaving like a king that you're supposed to. Y'all command. That's some stupid ass shit. Look at your attire. I was even planning to take you all to United States, California, and see the likes of Jay-Z and shit. But because of all this attitude, you ain't going nowhere. You're going to live and die how he. You're going to live and die how he. Not even a six-packs. You look at your tummy, protruding tummy. Look at you all. In America, you see all those elders, they got six-packs. Feeling sexy and shit. But I hear, listen, I'm out here to change the narrative. You're going to do some workout. You'll go to the gym, suck all your shit. Go to the gym and suck all that shit. All the time you eat akpu or whatever, akpu and shit. Why would you have a big tummy with your akpu and shit? Man, fuck that, don't talk to me. Eat mac and cheese. Eat some meals, some cool meals. So you have a flat tummy and some sexy eyes and shit. If you have a sexy king, you gotta have a sexy chief. You got a sexy king, you're gonna have a sexy chief. The sexy king have a sexy chief. Now henceforth, you're changing the shit, I'm changing the narrative. My gods are gonna take care of that. You hear me? I'm out here.
My king, but it is wrong. This is our traditional attire, the way we're supposed to dress as our condition, our tradition demands.
Who the hell are you to tell me what I do in my kingdom, my palace?
Hey, it's our no. Prime Minister, you know who of this kingdom.
Now shut the fuck up for the last time. Bro, you've been saying shit all this while. I kept you quiet. I told you, I said, I could change. I could change it for you, shit. You know that? You know that? Don't get me pissed off.
Sorry, sir.
Good. Do as I say. Do as I say. Guys. Change them all, I'm out here. Bitches, nigga. Nigga looking at this shit.
Oh, Chim. I will share the mania. Oh, no.
Oche eze nya bụ okwu ngwongwo. Onye ga-abụzi eze eberebe. Ife nkene na ọkarịa malụ ngwongwo. Allow me, make I sit on my throne. Oche eze nya bụ okwu ngwongwo. Ụmụ eze na-abụ na onye ga-abụzi eze eberebe. Oche eze nwa na-asara ọkụ ngwongwo. Allow me, I won't possess my possession.
As a rule, you follow my lead. What did I say? As a rule, I follow your lead. Say it again. As a rule, I follow your lead. You can do better than this. As a rule, I follow your lead. As a rule, follow my leads. Yo, as a rule, follow my lead. Say it again. As a rule, follow your lead. Say it again. As a rule, follow your lead. You don't want to go to America? As a rule, follow your lead. Say it one more time. Follow your lead. You can do better than this. Follow your lead. Oh, roll. That's a roll. You follow your lead. That's the way it's been done in California. Follow your lead. Say it again. Follow your lead. Don't you ever stop, y'all. Follow your lead. Keep saying, keep saying. Follow your lead.
You good? Why don't you get up? Show me what you got. Show me what you got. What you got?
Oche eze nya bụ okwu ngwongwo. Onye ga-abụzi eze ife nkene na ọkarịa malụ. Allow me, make I sit on my throne. Oche eze nya bụ okwu ngwongwo. Ụmụ eze na-abụ na onye ga-abụzi eze Oche eze nwa na-asara ọkụ ngwongwo. Allow me, I won't possess my possession. Onye nke na si na bunya.
How you twerk with the tummy in house?
Onye nke ọzọ si na bunya.
How you twerk for me?
Onye masị si ga bless. I no gree, you no gree, we go scatter. Ndị obodo anyị
Swag that shit up. Swag that shit up. Swag that. That's how I do it in California anyway. You going to California? You going to California? That's what's up. Twig that shit up. Twig that. Now listen, you're twigging the Tamiz are going to California.
You should be inclined to twerk for the hell. Twerk for the elders. Twerk for them. That's what's up. I don't feel that shit. This niggas need to be upgraded, man. Y'all need to be upgraded. That's what's up.
You like it?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'll take you to California. I'll take you to California.
I want to stay together.
Now, like I said, you're twerking the Tamiz from California. You're twerking the Tamiz from California.
Hi. Oh no. I am forgotten. Did you witness what I saw in the palace? Abomination. Chai. Oh no. I am forgotten.
Yay!
Did you witness what I saw at the palace?
Abomination. What my eyes saw is too heavy for my mouth to speak.
Chimo.
Ezioku.
Oh no. Sincerely speaking, I think we have made a very big mistake.
Serious mistake.
Crowning the Americana king.
Serious mistake. But I never knew it would get to this extent. I was just following the order of the late king.
But nobody is blaming you.
What is it?
But as it is now, I think he has crossed the line.
Times two. Times two.
He has crossed the line.
Hey.
We cannot just fold our hands and watch this go the wrong way.
Inside the palace room.
You saw, I say, did you witness what I saw? You say you saw it. I'm looking at causally.
Hey.
We made a
very big mistake.
Very big mistake.
Yeah, man.
Okay, yeah, man.
Well, look at what we are wearing. Are we supposed to dress like this?
Well, I'm even my baby can this somebody but
Look at Umaka Jere Club.
They also low Ibo Panya.
Hey!
It's no problem.
Hey, what's up? Oh, hey, come on, feel free. Oh, come on. Hey, we are just good people, all right? They call me Stone. My nigga here is Iggy. So what's up? Don't be scared, all right? So what's your name? I'm a good friend, all right? You live around this. Shh, listen, I know you're scared, all right? Trust me, we don't hurt people. And besides, you're beautiful. So what's your name? Joy. Joy. Woo! Nice name. Baby Joy. Alright, you live around this neighborhood? Well, we just came by and we hope to see you some other time, alright? You can just go.
Let's start off for it.
Hey, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? When I say how you doing, you say Iza.
Okay.
How you doing?
Iza.
How you doing?
Iza.
How you doing?
Iza.
Yeah, that's what's up. That's how I like hear you respond to me. That's how I like hear you respond, and you respond swiftly. What did I say? Respond swiftly. What did I say?
Respond swiftly.
What did I say?
Respond swiftly.
That's what's up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I like how y'all are dressing right now. You know, I told you the other time I'm changing the narrative. But what's up with you? Why you putting on this?
Your Majesty, like I told you the other day, this is not supposed to be our attire as the tradition demands.
Would you shut the fuck up?
Sorry.
Or you not oversee the kingdom, huh? You not oversee the kingdom, huh? Sorry. No, you not oversee the kingdom.
Sorry.
You tell me what to do in my kingdom. Now who's the king of this great kingdom?
You.
No one oversees this kingdom, yo. What? Who oversees this kingdom? What? Listen, next time I tell you to do something, and you have to, you know what I'm going to do to you?
Please.
I'm going to shoot your 2-0. I'm going to shoot your 2-0. I'm going to shoot your 2-0.
Please.
Guards.
What's up?
Lock him up. Bitches.
Your Majesty, I'm the no. Hell.
George, why are you crying? Eh? George, talk to me now. Why are you crying? George, what happened? Talk to me.
He raped me.
He raped you? Who? George, talk to me now. Who raped you? Who?
The king raped me. The king.
The king? Which king?
King Charles. King Charles.
That idiot! It's okay, Joy. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go home. It's okay. It's okay. Come. It's okay, Joy. Joy, sorry. That idiot raped you. Joy, let's go home. Let's go home. I will deal with that idiot. Yeah, make that idiot here. He dares to touch you in this village. Joy, it's okay. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's okay. It's okay, man. When I can just message them over. Let's go.
My king, I was actually on my way to the palace too.
Is there any problem?
No, yes, my king. I wanted us to talk. You know, I am your uncle, and it is my duty to correct you when you are going the wrong way. Very sorry for what I say, because this kingship of a thing, you are getting it the wrong way. Honestly, you are not acting like a king you are.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Listen, you ain't silly. Let me tell you something. Talking trash can in your mouth. No, you talking trash can in your mouth. Huh? You're not acting the way you're acting as a king and shit. Listen, if not that you're my UNCLA, huh? If not that you're my UNCLA, you already know what the penalty is. You know what I'm gonna do to you? You know what I'm gonna do to you? No, you know what I'm gonna do to you? You know what I'm gonna do to you? Save that for another day. Bitch ass old nigga. Retarded and shit. Tired and shit. Bitch ass.
Ndị obodo anyị ema na ezigbo nsogbu dị o. Ezigbo nsogbu dị o, ema na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu dị, obi eze asarugo ọkụ. Ọ sarugo ọkụ, ebe a nọzi isi ga-bụ eze. Ọrụ obodo anyị na-ama na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu dị o, ema na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu adịgo, obi eze asarugo ọkụ. Ọ sarugo ọkụ.
Bitches, nigga. Look at your shoe. Can't even change your shoe all this while. I can't change your shoe. Can't change your shoe. Can't change your shoe. Can't change your shoe.
Everything's not right to know. What is the problem? The king ordered my father to be executed. Executed? Yes. Why? Because my father confronted him concerning our land that he sold to a stranger. Then the king asked his men to seize him and execute him. Huh? Yes. Hey, please don't know, help my father. There's something I can do for you, because if two of us go there, they will also execute two of us. Hey, oh no, please help my father, please. It's not a matter of kneeling down. You see, if two of us go there, they will still execute us. I want you to go home. Don't go back there again. No, please. You have to help my father. He used to be your very good friend. Please, oh no, I'm not living here. You have to go with me. Please. I know. Hey. I cannot do anything for your father. If I go there, you will order them to execute me as well. Oh no, we are going inside. Hey! Oh no! I'm not going anywhere. You must come and help me. Hey! 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 Oh no! I will remain here. I'm not going anywhere. Enough is enough. I have to talk sense into this man. Every day one problem or the other. If not that he has raped somebody, it will be that maybe he have flogged somebody. Huh? Maybe he has flogged somebody. Is he the only one that have lived in America? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. He even had the gut to rape my daughter. Huh? I must have to talk to this man. I must have to. If it maybe he want to shoot me, let him shoot me. Yeah, man. California. Look at this shit. It's really nonsense. Hey! Oh, Diego. Had he been the former king is alive? Oh! So it was all a dream. What could be the meaning of this? Hey, thank the gods it was a dream. Go near the end.
I do agree with you, but for this particular one, I disagree with you. I can never allow you to go and stay in that palace knowing what is happening in the palace. I will advise you to stay with me. Stay with us here. Just stay here for the meantime. For your security. That's what I'm concerned about, please.
See, UNCLE. Y'all know I don't belong here. You know what I'm saying? I don't belong here at all. And this place can be compared to my status quo. It can be compared to my status quo. You hear me? See, you know where I belong? My pop's house, yo. My pop's crib. That's where I'm gonna be at. And I'm going there. No cap about it. No cap in my rap.
Well, I am not disputing that fact. All I am saying is that you have to avoid the palace for now. Lie low here. Lie low. Just stay here with me because I don't want anything to happen to you. I lost your mother and I'm not ready to lose you too.
Listen, I got you NCLE. I got you. But she ain't gonna understand us.
Who is she? Who is she? Who is that she? Hey.
Even Canela Jana Dolo Odoluzano Dolo Kenyi Umazena Bana Sosio Bono Manonya Mazia Lucy Gabwese Isi Manfe Webena Zonwaze Wisi Kafanchan Webizena Zonwaze Ebigaze Igebungwe Unyama Lucy Gabwese Isi Manfe Webena Zonwaze Wisi Kafanchan Webizena Zonwaze Ebigaze Igebungwe Unyama Lucy Gabwese Ocheze Nyabu Oku Ngongo Onyega Abuziaze Ebelebe Even Kenen Okalia Malo Ngongo Allow me, make I sit
this way.
Where is this place?
Yeah, this is home. Home sweet home. I told you that. This is Nigeria, though.
I know it's Nigeria, but where exactly are we right now?
Home, baby.
Come on, Mom. This is a Nigerian museum.
Daddy brought us to see the Nigerian museum. Right,
What
Dad?
rubbish. After a long and stressful journey, you're supposed to take us home to have a good shower and a bed rest. You brought us to a museum?
Come on, honey. See, this ain't a museum. This is home. Come on. This is like a little California home. I'll explain better. Let's just go inside. Come on. All right? Swear.
What nonsense!
Baby.
Like, seriously?
Oh, see.
There is no how I'm gonna stay in this kind of environment.
See, I said it's okay. I'll make it up to you.
I can't stay here. Get me and my daughter out of this place this minute.
Hold on. Where you gonna go now? Where you gonna go? No, where you gonna go now? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go now? Tell me, honey. Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? No, where you gonna go, honey? Tell me where you gonna go.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
If I may ask, that was not a dream. That's a real revelation.
Oh, where?
Yes. See, if you eventually make that Americana our king, we all are doomed. I ain't calling it what nsogbu. Oh no.
Ishiogo.
No.
There is a very big problem.
No. What is the problem?
Before the king died, he gave me an order on his sick bed. Order that whenever Prince Charles comes home, the throne must be given to him.
No.
Eh?
Chere, I don't understand what I just saying.
What I'm trying to tell you now is, according to the king, Prince Charles and Prince Elvis were born the same day. But Charles came out 12 hours before Prince Elvis did.
No.
Eh?
That automatically makes Prince Charles the older brother to Prince Elvis.
Exactly, that's what I'm trying to tell you, according to the king.
Hi. Oh no, this is not a good story at all. Hey. Hey.
Yeah, you ain't see a lead though. Here's my beautiful wife, Tess. And here's my beautiful daughter, Cinto.
Mama, no. Mama, no.
Baby, what's the meaning of no or something?
Yeah, he's trying to say hi.
Oh.
He's trying to say hi. Yeah, like a form of compliment or something.
I got you.
Yeah. Come with telephone. Can I get the oppa?
Whatever, get mac and cheese. That's what we'll take. The pasta.
Exactly.
No, can't go with you.
No, Doritos. We cool with Doritos. We good. We eating that shit. Yeah. Mac and cheese. Or better still, my daughter, we brought Doritos over. Sweetheart, you still got your Doritos? Yeah, maybe what we should. They were cool with Doritos. They were cool with Doritos.
Okay. Oh, you cook. Okay.
They'll be cool with Doritos.
No.
My son, Prince, your late father was a great king with good mind. He was the first king that ever brought in government to this our community. He did a lot of good things. And I would like you to be like him. Oh? Sure. Oh,
You will do well.
I would like you to be like your father. Prince,
with all due respect, what is this madman doing here?
No. Prince, calm down. Please calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down, no. What is this madman doing here?
Sit down first now.
I can't share same space with my enemies. So for the last time, what is this drug addict and his sick-looking uncle doing here?
Hi.
Yeah? Oh no. Prince Elvis, I can take anything from you, but not you insulting me. Have you lost your sense of reasoning?
Who they breathe?
No.
Who cough?
Prince, please. I invited you here with them also for us to sit down and iron this thing out once and for all.
Oh no, I hate repeating myself. I can't share same space with my enemies. Let this mad drug addict here and his sick-looking uncle leave this place now.
Hey.
Oh no.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll take care of that. Now, first thing first. In no way, my little bro be on top of me. You hear me, elders? Ain't no way my little bro be what? On top of them.
It will not work.
Son of a bitch. By tradition, you ain't my mate. But whatever tradition we have in this great kingdom, you ain't my mate. Fuck wrong with you. Expect your elder brother to get up so you can sing. No, should get up so you can sit. You know what?
No.
In no way, bro. In no way. In no way, orders. In no way. In no way, bro. In no way.
Don't let me get close to you.
In no way, bro. In no way.
Don't let me get
In no way,
close
bro.
to you. Don't let me get close.
Ain't no way, bro.
Don't let me get close.
Ain't no way.
Don't let me get close to you.
Ain't no way, bro.
Don't let me get close to you.
Ain't no way.
Please. Don't let me get close.
Ain't no way, bro.
Not go there. No. Sit down.
Please.
What is his problem? What is wrong with this young man? Why the hell is he causing problem everywhere? You just have to calm down. You're not his type. Always remember that.
If I reason Charles, I'm gonna say doings get level. We can't have two mad men in one kingdom.
Exactly my point. You are not his type. You are not mad. Allow him do his thing, please. Please. Let's go inside. Let me show you something. Please, my love. Your mood is affecting mine. Please. Let me show you something. Calm down.
Allow me, I won't possess my possession. Onyen kena sina punya ngongo. Onyen kauza sina punya ngongo. Onyen masisi gabrese ngongo.
Uncle, tell me something.
Now, what do you want to hear?
Why is your country different from mine?
My country is different from yours because we have different culture.
Different culture?
Yes.
How do you mean?
You know, in Africa, Nigeria especially, culture and tradition is the thing that governs our people. Not like the way you people do anyhow there.
So, why is Nigeria so behind?
I underline that statement behind. Nigeria is not backward, we are not behind. We are hardworking people, male and female, young and old. We have vibrant, able-bodied men that do things the way it's supposed to be.
Don't freaking touch me!
See, hey, babe, come. Hey, babe. What's up with you?
You deceived your daughter and I. You told us that you're a prince in Nigeria.
I'm still a prince, yo.
You lying bastard. I hate you for this.
Shit.
You know what? I'm going back to California with my daughter. And I'm filing for a divorce. Get that into your teeth.
See, UNCLA, you gotta say something about this.
My daughter, please calm down. He is not lying to you. He is a prince in this kingdom. He's really a prince. I was the one that advised him to stay here for security reasons, for your own good. I believe that, I have every belief that after everything, the both of you will go back to the palace.
No way, old man.
Huh?
I'm not gonna spend one more night in this prison. It is either the palace or I'm living with my daughter.
My place is not a prison. Calm down. Here is your home.
Listen, honey, listen. It's about your safety and my daughter's safety. It's about your safety. Your safety comes first and that of my daughter. You feel me? Come on. Why you acting like that? Why you acting like this? I don't like the way you're acting to me.
I can't take this anymore, please.
Oh, come on, honey. Come on, scared. Come on, honey. Come on.
You're going nowhere.
Mom, I'm enjoying my stay here.
Angel, please stop.
Shit. See, honey, at the right time, everything will be sorted out.
I don't like what you're doing. I don't like it.
Remember how I met you in Beverly Hills? I was started together. California, love, the California, in the city, in the city. That's how I met you more than California. We're trying to get it. It's my baby. We're trying to get it.
My prince, there's something you should know.
What could that be?
My prince, I'm not supposed to tell you this because it is secret. I don't want you to lose what rightfully belongs to you because you are a good man. Ono and Ichendo are planning to make your brother, the Americana, king.
Point of correction, Ichie. He is not my brother. A mad bastard like that can never be my brother. Now tell me, are you sure of what you are saying?
My prince, I'm not a woman that gossip. I am telling you the fact. In fact, I was with Ono early this morning, and he made it clear to me that any moment from now, that your brother, the Americana, will be crowned the king. And according to him, he told me that it was your father's order before he died. So I said, I'm not going to be part of this. I hate betrayals.
Thanks for the information, Ichie. I appreciate.
Thank you. But I want you to fight for what rightfully belongs to you. I don't want you to lose that crown.
Son, are you sure about this?
I am 100% sure, Mom. The information came from a trusted source. Ono betrayed me. I am totally disappointed in Ono. Manama Abuyono. I will lay curse on Ono.
Nam, if you lay curse on that stupid man, it must surely work. Now I'm seeing the true colors of Ono. But I'm assuring you, whether they like it or not, that throne belongs to you. Iburugo Igwe already.
Mom, no one, I repeat, no one will take what rightfully belongs to me.
Oh, Tuamna.
Not even a drug addict from America.
Of course.
Come ifele ge mo dogu ifi kemebe.
Oh, Tuam.
Come ifele ge memu odogu ifi kemebe. Adonisa Japala. What nonsense.
Yeah.
Oh no. Elvis, what's the meaning of all this bullshit? Why you blocking my way and top shit?
You know, say your mumu done too much. You don't cast. They don't expose you. Tell Onowu that I said you and him put together cannot take away my throne.
Listen, little bro.
No, you are not my bro, so don't call me bro. You are a bastard, a reckless one at that, so you can never be my brother.
Listen, if it were to be California, you say this shit, you know what I'm gonna do with you. Ain't no way you tell me that, ain't no way. Ain't no way, bro. 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 Ain't no way.
Do you mean to say Prince Elvis say all these things to you?
Yeah, UNCLE.
No. Enough is enough. It is either Prince Elvis kills me today or I will kill him. No. Wait for me. I will not take it this time around. Nonsense. Yeah. Come, Levi. Come, let's go. My son, come, let's go. Let us go.
Have you with you?
This is called Akodo in Igbo land. With this,
I thought you were going to get a 9mm or a revolver pistol.
the for pistol, revolver, organ. This is what I have. It is said, use what you have to get what you want. And with this alone, I will pistol him, I will revolver him with this one.
UNCLE, I ain't going with you with this. It is either a revolver or 9mm or nothing. Revolver or nothing. 9mm or nothing.
Come, just, it seems you are underrating this. Oh. Don't underrate this. All I need to do is to see him one-on-one. I hit his head. Period. By then, next time if he sees you, he will respect you. Please, don't just waste my time. Come, let's go.
Leave me alone. You get me a revolver or 9mm. That's how we rock. We rock in California. We rock with a revolver. If you ain't got a revolver or 9mm, don't come at me. Don't come at me. Don't come at me.
Come. With this, I will revolver him. I mean it. I will pistol him with this. I will revolver him by the time I'm done with it. Come, let us go. Look at that stupid boy. By the time I'm done with him, he will not.
Even can no carry a malo. Allow me, make I sit on my throne.
What do you mean, welcome my prince? Why don't you lie on the floor, let them step on you? Hesh, what is it?
And who the hell are you?
I should be asking you that question. Who are you?
Hey, would you shut the fuck up, your bitches? Fuck wrong with you, huh? Oh, my OG's creed. Oh, kiss your no. I'm here for the take, yo. I'm here for the take. Let me see how you gonna stop me about my OG's creed. I'm back from California.
Are you done? Nah. If you know what is good for you, turn around. Return to where you're coming from because you do not belong here.
And what if we say we are not going anywhere?
Now you listen to me. Do you look like your father? If you know what is good for you, you will turn around and leave this palace at once. Go back to where you belong, for you do not belong here.
Let me see how you gonna stop me, bitches, to all my haters. Shove it up your ways.
Hello, mother. Hello? Yes, I was on my way to see Christabel. You don't sound good. What? Who's in the palace? Are you serious? Mom, don't worry, I'm coming. I said, don't worry, I am coming. I'm turning now, I'm coming. I am coming. Mamone had a Saja Pala. I am coming.
For we came to this country, we were kings and queens, never poached monkeys. There was empires after Coach Timbuktu, whenever ways came to the table to learn from black teachers who taught Greeks and Romans. Age and iron, gauge gold. Gold was invalid in all things. Money then became the empowerment for Europeans. The press, the military, the aid. When they talk about the gold, the teachers and everything. Africa was almost robbed lately. Slavery.
What are you doing here?
I'll smoke you. I'll smoke you, nigga. I'll smoke you. I'll smoke you, nigga. I'll smoke you. What's wrong with you?
Oh no.
Oh?
I still insist that the new prince, the Americana, does not have what it takes to become our king.
Okay.
He does not know anything about our traditions and culture. I still stand that Prince Elvis is the right candidate to the throne.
Ichiugo, at times I wonder why you talk like a child.
The Johnson, a whole Ichie de Kam Chizure Chizu. Talking like a child. Take time.
Of course. You don't only talk like a child, you bark like a dog. Yes. Were you not there when Onowu told us that the late king instructed that Prince Charles be crowned king? Were you not there?
Ichendo, can you keep quiet for a moment?
Okay.
I thought you have something reasonable to say. If Ichiogo here is barking like a dog, as you said, then you're bleating like a goat. I know why you're saying all these things, because your cousin is involved. Okay, let me ask you a question.
Ask me that question, waiting.
If the Americana...
Point of correction. His name is Charles, Prince Charles, not Americana. You have to accord him some respect.
What if the Americana, Prince Charles had come back after the coronation of Prince Elvis? What will happen?
It's as simple as ABCD. Then we collect the crown from Prince Elvis and hand it over to the rightful owner, Prince Charles. Not even Prince Charles, King Charles.
This year, I want you people to calm down.
Okay.
I've heard what you said, and I quite understood all. If I may say, in matters like this, we look for the elder one. But the problem here is, this is confusing. Because the late king told me one-on-one that Prince Charles was born 10 to 12 hours before Prince Elvis was born. That is the confusion there.
That is a lie. Oh no, a very big lie.
How?
Don't be confused, because I was there live and direct.
As a doctor?
We be it doctor, patient, nurse, or that's not your business. Now listen, Prince Charles was born 48 hours before Prince Elvis was born. Both women were in labor at the same time. Along the line, the queen had some complications that delayed her giving birth 2 days later.
Ichiendo. Have you seen? You are the main liar here now. You are saying different dates from what the king gave. It is obvious. You are supporting your sister's son to become the king. But Kangwage, Ama Woko, only king we see can't happen.
Are you done? Ichugo, do you know that you are stupid? Not only stupid, very, very stupid.
It is your father.
Hey, it's okay.
Your generation.
This year.
All your people are stupid.
Ichugo, it's okay.
You are the stupid one here.
Okay. Can you listen to me?
Talk, we are talk.
It's okay.
Mind him.
Cindy, my daughter. Very sorry, I'm in a meeting now. I will call you later. What? Fight? Prince Elvis again? And his people? Beating you and your mother? Don't worry, I will call you back later.
Prince Elvis too.
Say that Prince Elvis and they're beating Cindy and the mother. All of them.
Let's go there. Joy! Joy, yo! I'm up. They're coming. Oh, I shake on.
Even can no carry a malo. Allow me, make I sit on my throne. Oches and Yabuoko, Ngongo, almost enough on Yaga possessor. Oches and one Sarako, Ngongo. Allow me, I won't possess my possession.
This is serious, oh.
Huh?
No wonder. Immediately you all ran off this compound, I sensed that something happened.
It was a very big war. But we were able to stop the fight.
So, Papa, you are trying to say that the royal family fought themselves.
What am I telling you?
Hey.
They fought themselves. Oh, please, enough of this palace fight. Go and prepare my food.
Papa, this needs to stop. This needs to stop. Before someone gets hurt. Let me go and get it.
Onye nke na si na bonya onye nke ọzọ si na bonya nwere onye masisi ga boise I no gree, you no gree, we go scatter. Ndị obodo anyị ema na ezigbo nsogbu dị o. Ezigbo nsogbu dị o, ema na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu dị obieza sarugo.
American witch. Did you not see me pass?
No.
Where you came from, they did not teach you how to greet elders.
Good morning, Grandma.
Chukwaju, who is your grandma? Don't you know where your grandma is?
But I'm your grandchild.
God forbid. You are not my grandchild. And I am not your grandma. Come on, give it to me. Napwala.
What?
Aisha! Was that one for me? Don't you have respect? One more word from you, eh? Ngweraka, fusisi abubara oko konda nogi nisi. Napwala. Not 911. I hate you too.
ebe na sisi gabweze ndị nze banyu na ama na ezigbo nsogbu afaitebe ezigbo nsogbu dị yo ịma na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo ezigbo nsogbu adịgo obeze ọsarugo ọkụ ebe na sisi gabweze ọrụ obodo anyị na ama na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo
What is this? I'm asking both of you. What is this? Does this palace look like a hotel to you? I'm talking and you're busy fornicating in my presence. Baby.
Now hold on, sick yo. How lying you been? How limalai you been? How lying you been? How limalai you been? What you want? What you want of me? What you want?
Onagongwa. Ah, my friend, close that your mouth. Hey! Now forget, oh, how you been? You should be ashamed of yourself. I thought you went overseas. You are supposed to speak good English. Name Marasu. Piakam Kuzerage, I am a classic queen. Not a Yaya Bine. You should be ashamed of yourself. Now look around. Does this palace look like a hotel to two of you? I'm asking you. Do you not have a room where you can go and fornicate? Do whatever thing you want to do. Kiss around in your room instead of this palace. You can move to your room. Let me never see both of you here again. Useless girl, akuna kuna. Even you na, ibukuri akuna kuna. Rubbish.
Don't let whatever she says spoil the good mood we have right now. I'm saying. All you do is come poking is no affair. All you do is poking holes in my affairs. Poking holes.
I want you to avoid the palace for now, but you refused. You insisted, telling me that your wife asked you to disobey me. Now you have seen the result of disobedience. Yes, you have seen it. You have seen the result of disobedience.
Hey,
I wonder if you are the one marrying your wife or she is the one marrying you. Listen, over here, we marry our wives. Our wife doesn't marry us. We tell them what to do and they do. We have the final say. That is it all.
Listen, I'm sorry about UNCLE. Sorry about the whole situation. It's a lituation shit. It's a lituation shit. You dig?
Okay. But that is, by the way, that is not what is bothering me now. I'm only worried now because something that is happening that you don't know. Now, for your information, Ono and other elders, they are on the verge of crowning your younger brother, the king. Elvis, yes, that is what the plan they have now.
What?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Hey. They don't want that smoke. They probably don't want to smoke me, or they don't want that smoke. I swear to God, they don't want that smoke. Yow! Uncle, let me ask you something. Haven't you ever asked yourself a question why I ain't been in this video for a while? You've never asked yourself a question why I ain't been in this video for a while? That's because I've been lounging in jail for decades. I'm ex-convict. I kill for a living. I do all type of shit. Ain't shit easy, alright? Ain't shit easy, alright? My kid, bro, come to take over the throne. The throne is for the take. We're for the take. Take it over. See, ain't nobody trying to mess around with me, bro. Ain't nobody trying to mess around with me. I swear to God, ain't nobody try. Like, yow!
Please, enough of that your grammar. I want us to put heads together and reason and know how to pursue this very matter. Because I cannot be here. Your younger brother will take over the throne. It will not be possible.
What? What the fuck?
Oh.
What the fuck?
Stacy, what is wrong with you? Why would you ask the maid not to take my mother's orders and take yours?
You dare call me stupid? You ugly, stinking African bitch. What? You know what? You're disgusting.
Stacy, you dare call me disgusting? You dare call me disgusting, Stacy?
Of course. I won't believe you about that. What are you gonna do?
Stacy, you daring me. You're so daring. Don't you ever
What will I do?
Stacy!
What the hell are you gonna do?
What will I deal with you?
What the hell are you gonna do?
Stacy!
I'm asking you, what will you do?
Stacy, you're daring me.
What will you do?
You are daring me.
You can't do nothing. I said you can do absolutely nothing.
I'm here to report to you what these boys are doing now. Because if I should react, please, I don't want anybody to blame me, especially you, that is so close to me.
Chegodisha, you mean Prince Elvis attacked his own brother and broke his head?
Abumilinon, you heard me well.
What would be the meaning of this?
I don't know. If I should react, nobody, especially you, that is my friend.
Okay.
Don't just blame me.
Calm down. I'll go to the hospital with you. No? Let me dress.
Okay.
Joy, you. Joy.
Papa.
Bia.
Ichendo, I greet you, sir.
I greet you, my daughter.
We are going to the hospital now to see Prince Charles. I learned that his head was broken by his brother.
Prince Charles?
Yes. He's in the hospital.
Papa, I hope he's not serious.
Get me my card, my beats, and let me go there. I'm going there with him now. Please. Hey, I just won't again.
Oh no, don't blame me. Hey. If I maybe.
Calm down. I'm going there with you now.
My prince, you sent for me.
Yeah. Now listen, I want you to go get me some white tapper, you know what I'm saying?
White tapper?
Yeah, I need a top up of all this shit going on in this kingdom though. I need some white, like you're sniffing,
My prince, I don't know where to get this in this kingdom.
The fuck wrong with you? Okay, how about codeine shit?
Codeine shit? Man, if I ain't ask one about me, codeine shit. But my prince, only if kalaka, anapo. Ibo, inwanka, odosagaro shit.
What you mean by that? Aibo?
Aibo ba fozo. Anasigi Igbo, oka dosagaro.
I don't get it. Aibo or something? Aibo?
My prince, I did not say Aibo.
Igbo. Well, whatever that means, Igbo or whatever, man. Fuck that shit. I ain't caught out with it. See. All right. This is what you're gonna do. Have this. Get me what's it called? The S key. You know, loud. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Like some real shit I can top up with. You know what I'm saying? But don't get me Igbo. I don't want Igbo. I don't want Igbo.
Okay, my prince.
All right.
I will get it for you.
Real talk. Don't waste no time about it. I need to get high. Don't waste no time about it. I can't wait to get high, you. I can't wait to get high for y'all. I can't wait to get high, y'all. I can't wait to get high for y'all.
And this guy kept looking and looking and I'm like, what the hell are you staring at? Can't you just move? I swear I hate men that act like children.
To be honest with you, that guy really likes you.
Likes who?
He likes you, Rose.
Hey, he likes you and he's going to marry you.
You know he can't like you.
I don't want him.
Can I join you?
And who is this American witch looking for? I mean, what are you saying?
No, you can't join us. And besides, do we look like your mates?
Imagine.
Come on, you get out of here!
But, excuse me, there are no buts. Get your filthy self out of this place before I pour this drink on you.
Get out!
Get out!
Out at once!
Oh my God.
Can you imagine? Look at this little rat.
Irritating me. Just feel like strangling her, I mean it. In fact, I'm having a mood swing. I can't even continue with this conversation. My queen, get me water, please.
Just came and ruined everything. Just now.
You did what? Chai! This boy has killed me. But why did you do that? Do you know you have committed an abomination that can cost you the throne? That can disqualify you from the throne? Do you know?
I did that shit to get him out of my way. That's what's up, man. I did it to get out of my way.
Hey, shut up, Ubiko Kanoligoku. Let me think. But you shouldn't have done that. You would have given them money. They're not harmless. We need to see Ono. Let us go to him and render apology to him. Kaiga, let's go.
Listen, I ain't apologizing to no one. Matter of fact, they don't know what you just mentioned right now. She come and apologize to me. That's what's up. It's the way it's been done over there. Feel me?
No. Even if you didn't go, I will go to him. I must go to him and render apology. You have committed a sacrilege. That is what you committed, if you don't know. And this can cost you this throne. Yes.
Charles, what is the meaning of this? Listen, I am not in the mood for drama, so get out of my way.
Bitch-ass nigga. Lil bro, you'll be a little bro, you'll be it's alive to the time of the chain though. It still beats me to know that you're still alive in this planet Earth. What the fuck you doing in this Earth? But you know what? You know something? I like to see you 6 feet below. That's where you belong. This earth don't love you. Because you're some trash shit, nigga. Now do me a favor. See me out of Papa, see me out of Papa. I said, see me out of Papa, bro. See me out of Papa.
Listen, Charles. Stop this, okay?
See me out of Papa, see me out of Papa. Honey. What's the problem? What the fuck? What? Wait. Y'all mean that dude ain't dead after all? Is that what y'all mean? But honey, I shot him in the right. You know I don't miss. I aim my shot rightly. When I aim, I aim. When I aim, I aim rightly. Y'all know how I do it in California, honey. I shot that nigga in the right places. Except he used some kind of audacious shit. Maybe he used some kind of audacious shit. What? Oh damn, honey. Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh shit. How far? UNCLE. They said that dude ain't dead after all. My wife just called me right now.
Oh, he did not die. Oh, I thank God. I'm so scared that...
Fuck that shit. Why y'all saying this? You're supposed to be like, yo, that dude should have been dead after all.
No. I disagree. I thank God that he did not die. We don't use guns here. Please, stop using guns so that we don't kill somebody.
Now guess what? My wife told me the gang up beating herself and my daughter. Now why would it be my wife? My wife? Why would it be my wife? Why would it be my daughter? Oh shit. See.
No, take it easy. No. Come. I just thank God that he did not die. Please, stop using gun. Don't kill. If you kill somebody.
Listen, you said enough. Listen, if you say one more word, I'm gonna use my. I'm gonna hear on you. I'm gonna hear you. So be careful the way you talk.
So if you will off any way, you don't spare you careful anybody.
Talk me. Talk about me.
I thank God that he did not die. If you have killed him, I don't...
That nigga gonna die. That nigga gonna die.
Just go back. Come back.
Dad, why do you hate your brother so much? I'm not enjoying this anymore. This gotta stop.
Cindy, are you alright?
You don't talk to your dad like that.
I talk to him how I want. Same goes to you. Your constant fighting in this palace is making me sick. You both have to stop. Else, I would go away and never come back. It's a promise.
Cindy! Cindy, come back here!
Hey, it's okay, babe. Let her be. You know, sometimes she'll get to understand what's going on. Sometimes she'll get to understand what's going on. You hear me?
What's wrong with her?
She'll get to understand what's going on. You hear me? You hear me?
Are you okay, my princess? I'm not okay. Everyone hates me in this palace. My grandma and my sisters won't talk to me just because of my parents' attitude towards them. I'm not a bad person. Or do you think I am?
No, my princess. You're not a bad person. You're a beautiful girl. In fact, you are an angel. Don't let that bother you, okay? Nobody hates you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me go and get you some juice and snacks. You like it, right? Yes. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Cheer up, okay? Yeah, come. My prince, she was sitting just now over there, so I went in to get her some juice and snacks. I came out and I couldn't find her again. I have to come call you.
What are you saying? She just vanished into thin air? Where is my daughter? Did you find her? Isn't it my daughter?
Searched the whole fucking palace. I couldn't find my daughter. No, she's nowhere to be found. But I'm gonna find my daughter. I'm gonna find my daughter. I'm gonna find my daughter.
Do something about it, please. Just call the police, please. What are we going to do? Cindy! It's coming up. Baby, how did it go? I didn't look.
Ain't law. That idiot, that fool claims he knows nothing about the kidnap. The kidnap of my beautiful daughter. So hey,
That's a lie.
I'm gonna get at him. I'm gonna get at him. I'm gonna get at him.
That's lying. He kidnapped my daughter.
My wife, calm down. Please calm down.
I want my daughter.
I strongly believe that Ono and the prince, they are hiding something from me. Just because their daughter is involved, that is why they sent us packing from the palace. But don't worry, I'm giving you my word. We must surely, I promise, I will find your daughter. No matter where she is, I will bring her back.
What are we gonna do now?
Now you ain't CLE, let me ask you something. Why y'all against the idea of me reporting this to the cops, to the police over here? Why you against that shit? Don't tell me that you be doing all that shit all the time.
Don't go there. Just don't go there. It's against our culture, against our tradition.
Listen, demo your culture, demo your tradition, demo your culture, bro, demo your tradition. I said demo your culture, demo your tradition. Know what you know about me? Know what you know about me, bro?
Take it, calm down. Listen, if you do that, that will automatically disqualify you from being the king.
Listen, don't tell me that shit. Do not tell me that shit.
Our culture will handle it. I assure you. No matter where your daughter is, I promise you, we will bring her back.
Now listen, this has to do with my daughter UNCL, and let me tell you something, you know what I'm saying? If it's in California, I'll get the FBI and CIA info on the other age and shit.
I need my daughter.
No, why you against me reporting? Why?
It's against our...
Don't tell me that, bro.
Seriously?
Calm down. Listen, my wife, I am giving you my word for the last time. Your daughter must surely come.
Now listen, to who it may concern, when it comes to my daughter, I don't play. When it comes to my daughter, I don't play. To who it may concern, when it comes to my daughter, I don't play.
I know.
When it comes to my daughter, I don't play. Now listen, young, to who it may concern, when it comes to my daughter, I don't play. When it comes to my daughter, I don't play. Yo, to who it may concern, when it comes to my daughter, I don't play. When it comes to my daughter, I don't play.
We must surely bring her back.
Bless my queen. I beg you in the name of God. Please tell your son to bring back my daughter. I promise you're not gonna see our faces again. We will go back to California, never to come back again. I promise, please.
Aboherente, did I not tell you that my son and I knows nothing about your daughter's whereabouts? You are asking the wrong person. Now, if you will excuse me, I have an important thing to do.
It's okay, just sit down.
What's happening to your mom?
I don't think my mother or my brother knows anything about Cindy's disappearance. Because I can remember that I saw her that day. No one hates you. Okay? Everyone in this palace loves you. But your parents are the problem. But don't worry, okay? I love you. Grandma loves you. Everyone in this palace loves you. So now just cheer up. Smile. Guess what?
What?
I have a gift for you.
Gift?
Yes, a
And
gift.
what is it?
Why don't you just guess?
I'm not good at guessing.
Okay. I have some chocolates.
Chocolates? Wow, I love them!
I know you would. But, okay, because you're my friend, I'll give you 5 packs.
5? Let's go!
Princess, brother, please. What do you know about the disappearance of Cindy?
Mother, I swear on my honor, I do not know anything about your child. I do not know anything.
I need you to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth.
Okay, Mother. Fine. I met her seated there. She was crying. She said nobody loves her in the house. So I consoled her and gave her some packs of chocolate. And she left to play. And the next thing I heard was that she got missing. The mother kept accusing me of stealing her child.
This is your bloody liar. You're a bloody liar. You kidnapped my daughter.
Now let me ask you something. Shut the fuck up and pay attention. Did Elvis ask you to do that?
I do not know what you're talking about.
You should know.
I know nothing about your child.
She's lying.
It's okay. It's okay, bro. It's okay. Now listen. But you were the last person that saw her. Huh?
And so what? If she was the last person that saw your child? Does that make her the kidnapper?
Of course she is!
Please, I don't want trouble. Before you also accuse me of kidnapping Cindy.
You are!
We are not criminals, we are not!
You need
Do it, no.
Hello? Excuse me. What? Listen, please. You can't. No. Okay, sorry, sir. I'm not shouting to you. No, I'm at a grace. I'm not shouting. Please, calm down. Don't hurt her, please. Can I talk to her? Relax. I promise you will be out. Relax. Please, hello? 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 Charles. Mbegi.
Yes, my prince. I was told you were running around over the kidnap of your fiancée. That is why I am here. My prince, I visited the shrine over the same issue, and I was told that your stepbrother, Prince Charles, is responsible for the kidnap. And because he thinks that you know about his missing daughter, so he decided to pay you back.
Ichie, are you sure of what you just said?
100%, my prince. Unless you think that the gods are liars.
Charles, we shall see. We shall see. Ichie, thanks for this information.
Thank you, Prince. Thank you, Prince.
My people, I called this meeting today for us to find a solution to this matter. The issue between Prince Charles and Prince Elvis. I want us to put an end to it today. This year. Where?
Listen, y'all tell this African monkey to get my daughter. My daughter is under our custody. I need my daughter right now. I need my daughter.
Oh no. I am here for the respect and love I have for you people. And on normal ground, I have no business with a drug addict. So first thing first, you people should tell him that I have no business with his daughter. So he should release my wife. I'm losing it. He should release my wife.
Listen, yo, listen. Fuck wrong with you, stupid ass nigga. Y'all trying to tell me my daughter ain't in your custody? Okay, we see. I'll do the California way and then you'll see what's up. You feel me? You in me? bitch ass nigga, so local.
Marco,
you don't want the smoke. You don't want that smoke.
Marco,
Enough of that, you two. The Onowu is talking. Have you lost it? Or don't you have respect for Onowu again? Now listen, both of you. I don't want to hear your voice again. Onowu, I'm sorry. Please, you can continue with your speech.
Like I was saying, we have decided that we don't want to hear that both of you fought yourselves. If that is done, 2 of you will be disqualified from being crowned the king. Apart from that, the kingship will be rotated to another family.
Oh no, will you lie? Over my dead body will that happen? Are you trying to deny me my birthright because of this drug addict?
No, I want peace to reign between 2 of you.
No, that's wrong, Onowu. You can't be comparing me with this thing here. He's a bastard, a crazy bastard at that. He's a bastard.
What the fuck?
A mad one at that.
What the fuck? What?
Yo! Now listen to me, yo retarded ass nigga. Listen, you don't want that smoke, yo. You don't want that smoke. My daughter is under your custody. Do the right thing, otherwise. You know my breed. You know my breed. Ain't no way you tell me there ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way.
It's okay, it's okay.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. I'll show you the collar way, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. I'll show you the collar way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way.
Grandma, can I come with you?
I'll call you back. I beg your pardon. What did you call me? As in to go where with me? You actually called me your grandma again. How many times did I tell you not to call me your grandma? If I hear that thing again from your mouth, rubbish. Hey! Get inside!
If only I knew, I would have allowed her come with me. She wouldn't have been missing by now. If only I knew, I would have let my ego down and become the grandmother that she has always wished I was. I have failed. I have failed as a mother, and I have failed as a grandmother. Chai, under my nose, I watched my family shatter into pieces. Chai, God, please, forgive me. Forgive me, God. I pray and ask that you will bring my family back together again. All I want is peace in my home. That's all. Son, I want us to talk about
something very important.
What is it?
I need you to do something for me. See, I want this fight between you and your stepbrother to stop. Please. I want it to stop so that he can release Christabel to you. While you release Cindy to him.
How am I supposed to say this for you to believe me? I have no hand in Cindy's disappearance. Trust me.
I think I believe you. For you to say it like this. I discussed with Tessie today. And she told me that she can vouch for her husband that he knows nothing about Christabel's disappearance. Now I ask, Obonunu Nabo knows nothing about their disappearances. Then who did?
Ocheze nya bụ okwu ngwongwo. Onye ga-abụzi eze eberebe. Ife nkene na ọkarịa malụ ngwongwo. Allow me, make I sit on my throne. Ocheze nya bụ okwu ngwongwo. Ụmụeze na-abụ na onye ga-abụzi eze eberebe. Ocheze nwa na-asara ọkụ ngwongwo. Allow me, I want possess my possession. Onye nke na-asị na mbụnya ngwongwo. Onye nke ọzọ asị na mbụnya nwe. Onye mmasị isi gabụ eze ngwongwo. I no gree, you no gree, we go scatter. Ndị obodo anyị iwe ma na ezigbo nsogbu dị yo. Ezigbo nsogbu dị yo, ma na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu dị.
Charles, can we talk?
There's nothing to talk about. Absolutely nothing to talk about, Elvis. Huh? I'm not in the mood for all that type of shit. You ain't me? You ain't me? Huh?
Listen to me, Charles. I know we are not best of friends. We're like cat and dog. But trust me, I know absolutely nothing about the disappearance of your daughter.
You know absolutely nothing about the disappearance of my adorable daughter. Is that what you're trying to say? E-L-V-I-S, my nigga. E-L-V-I-S, my nigga. That's what you're saying? And you want me to believe? No, you want me to believe. Bro, that girl, I love her to the moon. I don't joke with my daughter. When it comes to my daughter, I don't play, bro. Huh? Yeah. Now let me tell you something. I know when it comes to tradition and custom, you're there. I give it to you, bro. Because I'm out there, California, live my life. California, live my life. But bro, you having the custom and tradition 100%. You understand? Makes you a qualified better candidate of the throne. I know that. Hey, no cap in my rap. No again. That's because what? I'm still out there, California. Still out there, California, live my life. But you kidnapping my daughter, bro, is totally unacceptable. I can take that shit. Hell no.
That's the point. We are both victims here. I realized you have nothing in the abduction of my fiancé. So believe me, I know nothing about the disappearance of your daughter.
How y'all want me to believe you now? Now how y'all want me? No, how y'all want me to believe you now? No, how y'all want me?
Nzada siyasi. Nzada siyasi.
So how y'all want me to believe you? How y'all want me?
Aji, enough of this your disturbance, please. Yes, you're not member of Igwe cabinet. You're not even you have no business with the royal family. Why are you disturbing me? I did the arrest. Yes, I arrested Ichie Dike for inciting two brothers against each other. If you are in my shoe, what will you do? Please, stop disturbing me. Thank you. Stop disturbing me.
As the owner of this great kingdom, I hereby crown you Igwe Nwakibi, one of Ugweke Kingdom.
Hey, Cody, I don't want this. I'm not interested anymore. I ain't interested in this stuff anymore. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Reason being, don't just stare at me. Ask me why. Ask me why.
Why?
Good. I ain't familiar with the custom and tradition of this great kingdom, yo. You feel me? So, it's only rightful for me to do the necessary. And which is, take a good look at it. If you ain't used to something, you ain't used to it. You can't force yourself. I can't compel myself to something I know I ain't used to. So I've decided to give this kingship back to my beloved brother right here, Elvis. Elvis, I know a couple of times we have a lot of disputes and all that. You know what I'm saying? I hurt you, you hurt me. I hurt you, you hurt me. But hey, my brother is still my brother anyways, regardless. He's still my bro. I can't be out there see people fighting you and I'll be like, hey, my 9 will work. My 9mm will work for you. It's only rightful for me to give it back to my beloved brother Elvis. Elvis, I love you. I love you, bro. I love you regardless.
Hey!
No more fighting no more. 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 This will be good.
Ocheze nya bụ okwu ngwongwo. Onye ga-abụzi eze eberebe. Ife nkene na ọkarịa malụ ngwongwo. Allow me, make I sit on my throne. Ocheze nya bụ okwu ngwongwo. Ụmụeze na-abụ na onye ga-abụzi eze eberebe. Ocheze nwa na-asara ọkụ ngwongwo. Allow me, I want possess my possession. Onye nke na-asị na mbụnya ngwongwo. Onye nke ọzọ asị na mbụnya ngwongwo. Onye mazisi ga-abụ eze. I no gree, you no gree, we go scatter. Ndị obodo anyị iwe ma na ezigbo nsogbu dị yo. Ezigbo nsogbu dị yo, ma na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu dị, obi eze asarụgo ọkụ. Ọ sarụgo ọkụ, ebe a na-azụ isi ga-abụ eze. Ọrụ obodo anyị na ma na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu dị yo, ma na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu adịgo, obi eze asarụgo ọkụ. Ọ sarụgo ọkụ, ebe a na-azụ isi ga-abụ eze. Banyu na man ezigbo nsogbu apa itebe. Ezigbo nsogbu dị yo, ma na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu adịgo, obi eze asarụgo ọkụ. Ọ sarụgo ọkụ, ebe a na-azụ isi ga-abụ eze. Ọrụ obodo anyị na man ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. Ezigbo nsogbu dị yo, ma na ezigbo nsogbu adịgo. A na-afịọzi na be igwenu, obi eze asarụgo ọkụ. Ọ sarụgo ọkụ, ebe a na-azụ isi ga-abụ eze. Mana onye mazi alụsi ga-abụ eze. Ibe nke na-eleje na wedolu. Ọdọlụzie na ọdọlụ ka enyi. Ụmụ eze na-abụ na-asọzi ọgbọnụ. Mana onye mazi alụsi ga-abụ eze. Isi ma mfe wee bịa n'azọ n'eze. Bụ isi kafanchan wee bịazie n'azọ n'eze. Ebe ị ga-eze, ị ga-ebunwu ukwe. Unyama Lucy Gapoze. Isi mafe webe na zonwaze. Wisi kafanchani webe se na zonwaze. Epi igeze, igebu ngukwe. Unyama Lucy Gapoze. Ocheze nyabu oku ngongo. Onyega abuzeze ebelebe. Even kene no carry a mahalo ngongo. Allow me, make I sit on my throne. Ocheze nyabu oku ngongo. Umweze napo no nyega abuzeze ebelebe. Ocheze wana salako ngongo. Allow me, I want possess my possession. Onye nke na sina mponya ngongo. Onye nke oza sina mponya ebelebe. Onye masisi Gapoze ngongo. I no gree, you don't gree, we go scatter. Ndi opodani yo emanesi boso budi yo. Esi boso budi yo emanesi boso badi go. Esi boso budi obesa sarugako. Osarugako eba na sisi Gapoze. Arapodani una manesi boso badi go. Esi boso budi yo emanesi boso badi go. Esi boso badi go obesa sarugako. Osarugako eba na sisi Gapoze. Se banyo na manesi bonso kwa paitebe. Esi bonso budi yo imanesi bonso kwa digo. Esi bonso kwa digo obesa sarugako. Osarugako eba na sisi Gapoze. Arapo danyo na manesi bonso kwa digo. Esi bonso budi yo imanesi bonso kwa digo. Ana fiosi na bigwenu obesa sarugako. Osarugako eba na sisi Gapoze. Mana onyama si Lucy Gapoze. Ibe kene leje na wedolu. Odolu ze no odolu kenyi. Umweze na